All right, yema obibia kwaba ene eye enumrei emfa embra se Obed Network live on YouTube Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bebieni Go Stars. Yes, the Blast Stars of Ghana ayomejuma ewie edru Asante Kotoko game aobo against Bebieni Go Stars enunti ena yatena sia yaje adwa yede ensem no ede ebremu enu entia enye bibia entia ena yaje adwa ayatena se ewo eye afidikese yesu a yede ensem no ebre enye bibia entia eye we entia na yaje adwa na yede ensem no ede eba beso me so se oba don't forget to subscribe to the channel na enjoy amazing content yaboa no ene awie enumrei yede eba beso na ma bibia timi akoyi live from the Babara Sports Stadium is Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Asante Kotoko. Ene eye Bebieni Go Stars. She eja etuato 2 and 3 pool covered. Ena yaji eja e wose Obed Network yedi ejuma no. Ene ehun sensem ni nyina eti ebremo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel enche. Yebe wuremu na 2 team sheets no. Yetimi abobo hu discuss ye pian tumu ama also hu de air call Mr. Oba. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Ehun hia papa. E say no say Obed Network no we live more. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to also tell a friend that say Obed Network live ni no more. Na and a game no on say Ember TV. So what you say?
Sure.
Inti ya na yebepe kwan bi so a yebeda chiri ama enuanom amowo obi manso na mahu de ekọ ya na yebeda chiri de amamo.
Yes,
because game no any TV station bi so ba o prediction me hia no quick
ehun ya ba
fa o prediction mame na yenka eja no engum Baba Yara Sports Stadium mame sanka o prediction this year.
Sure.
Kumasi Asante Kotoko Bebieni Go Stars. Mame Sanka o prediction. Na o baswa Mr. make sure say o share Ediamo obi na obi so etimi enhu de ekoso.
Sure.
Sempa no ho dawuro bono enye ba akofo adwuma. Me say den
nye ba akofo.
Nsempa no ho dawuro bo
nye ba akofo adwuma.
Enye ba akofo adwuma.
Pempem.
Enye pempem. Adasa nyina etechiri.
Yes.
Na ena lineup no eye eye pinso.
Sure.
Me ye ho adwuma enche. Sante Koroko lineup ye be ho adwuma ene coach Karim Zito oko attacking. Ana say oye cautious. E game a obo against Bebieni Go Stars. Coach Karim Zito me say oye den cautious. Ana oko attacking meye hu adwuma at the amount just that nipa ewo stadium hono but on say na Blast Stars game ne
sure yes
so but me masem mechanics na etie o na Blast Stars game ne den ekoso it's a Blast Stars game ukoso a dodo na be ball mani akoma won
sabepe
won be pe bi ahwe na wo mo hwe Blast Stars ni wi a yes, 9 enum.
Yes.
Me eduru 9 no ena me hu say adeta. Ya sese egu omoso a. Go Stars. Omoso aba down.
Baby any for.
Oma attach down. Na mama ma wonhwe ade mfoni kakra. Mr. Oba, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Conviana yesa.
Sabepe.
Kumasi Asante Koroko arrive and me try to
cash
at the amount any yes no
solid bass need in fact boss teams economy up bass ba ko gentlemen up but teams na so ya
gentlemen na
more want to nyukoto go free
word now you see a gentlemen na
yes untimi mo na nyukoto bass in free gentlemen ba bia Lokona bass ni bon
confidence
bass easy my branding here
my branding here dey na wa we do who branding metal saying
me say no pay for year juma pay for juma say dey ina to ho no abo na to ho no when I want no kotoko na ba no o do gina china hu say bass do na nim ne ba no hu a wo do hu a person na yina down gwan
person no
e ba no
comfort
ye musa bio
confe
ye musa bio
on asem no brafo ka fa sa okode ho no what you say o se man bakra mi dia wre ho se mo ani da so confe mo ani da so adwuma na wo ye no wo se dey a person no
da ho person nya ka no atai
person
yes
well Kofi Aristotle e wo Baba Sports Stadium
solid
sa na adwuma ne ye no
solid
enti wan hwe enche confe say etimi hwe na
eburam
yes yeti Kofi nka
yes
every Baba Sports Stadium do na ebe pese ombeti Kofi nka every Baba enti fafon ba kono se no mu da o me de no fabra na di kan ti Kofi ahomem ma ne hu se ye di voda no na eden efre we mintimi nka wa bontin gon me kasa mintimi lo hwe nkasa e de se me kan won framam na Gold Stars so arrival ni Konfi ni
wow
no de so de ba
ni fantastic na just mo yellow ayina na
just Gold Stars in prem wo mo kopie mu wa kra
yes
wo mo ekoball eye JS Kabili no o mo mbetwa mu nko ba bia ni biem
dabi
se no e kan
yesisu ha
se o mo mbetwa mu nko ba bia ni biem
sabepe
into Kumasi hana on crying impotemu ho na ena wo madi o munku yi
yes
ehwa
ena mo dwuma
na enam senti no o mo the VIP bus ena ye roaming na after this game o mbeko ba bia ni
solid
enti ba bia ni next game obo hu se wo mo bus no
eneja enemu
eba safi what you say
sabepe bus no jawu
VIP bus.
Nice.
Na the Gold Stars 11 be ma.
Fantastic.
Na ya sama Asante Kotoko. Wo mo so 11 no.
Asante Oman.
Asante Kotoko.
Yes.
Enti mame embobo am ho. Na
solid.
Me Konfi hwewe mame. Ye we ho adwuma.
Yes. Enti for enti se se o Johnny screen sene so a. Se Obet network ana se se no. Yefa jumaje no edi amama enyansam ketwa mo de ya na mo de asenti Asante Kotoko lineup ana da o screens no so anope wa wutie mi bia me catch say abrante fe say Aziz Haruna Dari dia tofem ekutam na me de emama no panis ono ne beda go post mu enti ano da so no Aziz ene ere emount go post no enso ede ama Asante Kotoko obenya abrante fe say Philip Amo say ono so ewram ewo first 11 na fewanya Samba Ono Capitano se onoso awram Lord Hilary Adabo yes onoso awram na wanya Hubejow se onoso ade enso etimawram all line up nima enya samkito benya Joseph Ablo se onoso awram na fewanya Lord Amoa me catch him say anopay according to report say late fitness test no abranta na pass nti line up no bom no that's on Lord Amoa ana ahunso no sere atimi awram kama yaron samno edi emamo afi enra boss Selbet ebe confirm am say apprentice fen say Walid name of Hussein ebe start game no enti enra na that's no yes iti on be two fantasy meeting bi akoso ana nsa wa in two meeting bi akoso enti Walid be start Walid ya start echiredi ubenya Patrick Esiedu ya catch am say Joseph Amoa then no obeye o kwara again mu no o ye said wa ka bibia cho say o pekamtisi bi dia ma enti na bibia dia dan say ka Joseph o ko be start game no but print no abrante of Patrick Esiedu
ne hododo no
ana me no ka say wa start game na don sem no e de emamo anya sem ketua Peter Amidu Akwa yes ono so start na fe wanya abrante fe ne say eye chairman goes ra abet no so we united
Ewoma man team Manuel Entwidi
yes me basi ho okay
we ni ma bosso ba
yes
am say maden
jana
pai
sabe pepe
abosso ba me ja pai
sabe pepe
so what you
yes nti line up ni bio yes su mama mo Aziz Haruna Dari to go post no oba echirewa obenya Samba Onel na wanya oni abrante friend say Joseph Abolo awo 4 and 5 the left side Patrick Esiedu more fire over the right side Lord Amoa ana ejina ho enti back four na de amamo ye ba mfimfin a obenya abranche friend say Walid Nema Fuseni Ajumara Bora and I'm not castle when you're not generally on also estati. Now when you're a branch of friend say Hilary Lord Adabo. So I say the age name honum amani made and so makoso. Now if you're benya a branch of friend say Chaman Joe. Ha on your Chaman Joe. No fe intenta one for no abenya Peter Amidu Aqua Philip Amo. Na Ajumara the position any more boko a branch of friend say Albert na fe na my and so etimi akosimi no ka say jima at the bench. Yes.
Emmanuel entry.
At the bench. Pampe to bench.
Okay.
Ti mo na we bu say yima se no, yima de no no. Ti wo hwe line up ni ma. O say eba omo mo te bench o da no boko. Enya sam kitwa kra de won sem dey. E dey atomo ni.
E socket mo wan.
Yes. Da akra so tena chere won so ahwe ne ma kakra.
Okay.
Na ebra no so be mu a on so be sia kan e dey ma boku a je fene say eye asante for now the line up ni bi na and I say warm up no and I hear baba sports stadium no. Yes, kotoko warm up no and I hear baba yara sports stadium. Ti na no eye win. No say no pay na obidika kufi say da be kotoko win chairman Sunday jumanity. Place no.
E be person kotoko bodra na. O de person kotoko bodra fabra comment.
I'm very comment on.
Hey. Person kotoko bodra.
We no. Chairman club no.
Win na mo say anu odia. Na ye bisa say draw no so no mo ye okay. E wo nhihye no ene nkomodie no ana. But what you say?
Yes, abepe.
We are okay with draw no e wo nkomodie no ma. Na wo de hooki yen e wo one side. Ye de nim say ye win na ho nkomona na de bia na ebi mo se bi o mo mpe win no enti no am ye hu wa o mpe win ntem na ye timi ye yasemba
sure
na win na mba wa mbe kan kire se na me na me pe what you say we obi wa win na mba fi na me na me kan wona o ganka hwe wan ka hwe what you say
yes
wan ka hwe mbe na me na me kan bia
kire nyanka isem ye ni o
enti so wo de na ye we a no am ye hu quick
sure
Confirm. Me Judy. Me see me heading.
Oh, Ujimidi.
4-3-3 now.
Sure.
But they are attacking. They are attacking. Double number 10.
Okay.
Our coach Karim Zito. Ne Juma wo be die no. Number 10 for me no wodi pia be bia ni Gold Stars.
Sure.
Case na no thing.
Sure.
Gold Stars Emmanuel Wine Kobe. Yedi Mamonra.
Yes.
Edwin Ajimai, formerly of Vision FC. Yedi Mamo.
Yes.
Vincent Wine Atenga. Yedi Mamonra say or started. Ye jumedi no ye ndwa enum. But so me decide on the Lions, but the Lions starting 11. Ebreo.
Yes.
One change in the PA free. Got starting 11 am the bro one change in the PA free. And when I'm Gold Stars starting 11. Yes. Me catch was a Philip Ofori right back one neighbor on one and the back four na me boy no and say bia den ankofo Edwin Ajimai left back Vincent Tatenga ni Gideon Anaba je team of the week na Anaba jina 5 coach you know coach efeni ya wamankwa aka Mamelas yes nintengu din no Mamelas so what you say
yes
ontimi nyino Philip Ofori no adwene ana me catch say Francis Twene
yes
ebe gina nim ho Emmanuel Konto any Emmanuel Ejay and me can radio so to me say Barema Baba started from the bench Barema 40 JC what the bench Barema Baba JC number 40 what the bench Emmanuel Ajimano with two mirikase we no and then monhwe JC number 12 monhwe ni ye na infinity control pass turn and move why heavy
wow
oh why heavy
solid
now Michael Nkwa JC number 35 Razak Sonu and then me can want some radio so say Gold Stars or training and monitor so bobo on tin otwito ema atakumi ana otwito ma Michael Nkwa enti na samba any ablo first ball mama Razak fajamu abrichi abo
asamosi
yes
to stadium o
brichi bebo kanu kure na akire so o mane osowa onso but wo ye tiatia lengelenge o kai sa akasim sisi no a wo ba ha sa na we tie Peter Crouch mo line no 10 wo dogumi no oh rodo bi but yen twintu wo yen fa yeti entwintu won de o ye numero die se samba
abro
ene ablomo
ya little mistake
wo mo ye mistake obetwa to ama nkwa enti ono won say no eno am ka say obenchi aduku
yes
anga njere so obenchi aduku
yes
aduku we aduku jesi number 3 what bench esi no line up aye de ma mo baabia ni Gold Stars ba ku say mpo amfiri mu eye no a timu am sorry na de bia say obed na ka kotoko no ye monitoring other venues. I've got to go on. Yeah, monitoring what other venues. Gold Stars line up no. On the general, on that, be born in Sano. On the only. Yes, I don't know. Me show a high emba. On the airborne, on the airborne, on the airborne, on the pijano. Oh, send your one. Oh, send your tiano. On the Razak, Tian, on the born, abonnable. Yes, on the judge, I dear Bob, I dear fit born in Sano. Do I pay a bonus? See, yeah, on one. Yeah, money.
Oh no, you also be
Sabia. So I have rodo. Why is Peter Crouch? Manyas are not here.
Sabe,
tia. On pick first ball. Twinto.
Nedi no.
Na atakumi na ho. On sa atakumi so de. See am for ball 2 minutes. Atakumi na ma. Kotoko ne Gold Stars penalty ne ba ha. Na se ha. Hum no ko.
No hurry.
No ha.
Takumi.
No nya nkwa. And Patrick Esi do benya match.
Kaish.
Yes.
Kaish.
Benya match papa Esi. Macho for now the TV station be any obey ball no. Yes no yempe ho asem ntie duru ona se audio commentary ana ya pushi. Nya di amamo yempe we yo wa ya na se obed no we hen. Ena monchino bia so atiase.
Ya bebe.
Nti edu de aduane amam audio commentary se stadium of no so no etiase na yambo bia pechi ebi omugitum so because born ye nyini nti no o de se opese opia tumu a ye be mu apia tumu a ye we skills and methods so I be dey
ya mamu
ye be apply
sure
do na eba no on na eba no on na eba no on so on nyina on na wa owa pa on na wa na omunya careful
give me the shit
so omunya den
careful munya hwe chirofo no it's
first ball no on na djuma no kom me se na djuma no se ball ni yentwintu ho no na djuma on se Freeman na no wo Lions no the to form into ono wo twem ba we no be twem ba e ka twe ba your striker bi onye statical movie into we defender na aka so be di na chi a we hu anu de do midfield na chire otokura ho game na thing mi nyan ni sunsun fo ne nkasa sunsun
waka say game na thing pa waka si game nye komo 12 game go sabe ma kotoko 12 game
mfifiri be te kotoko
yes
mfifi brane e be den
beti wo mo press ni ne
but no na wo sha
boost morale
na ye yanko ni ye ma anwom no so a na chitafo ni nyina e den
chiri
ana tie
ina si bibi so yes
ye ma anwom no so a na chitafo ni nyina e den
chiri
na se wontimi nhye de a ye ma anwom no so o mo nje so
eh awu da se na hwamu no e bonyum no because bi hwamu na e bonyum no
kotoko ne wak stadium de na de
Pascal
be ye we bi
Pascal
mereno a brand time born a year bono ye sheno credit o can na nyame credit ne can ye be a born sheno enye but ye can be bra enye yintini ya kan no ere
atum
kan no atum inti confe
sure more fire more fire more fire guys ti ba bia obi afa comment ni dey Fabra now score line no fatuo yes prediction no fatuo kotoko go se ne no se we na ma bia wa o ti go be how pa so big game dey anim e din komo sa ye kan nations asem za no e ho de da o
nations no week we nyina ma home o Disabre almost to stadium or hell.
Monitania ma.
Monitor.
Kasim Mingle.
Kasim.
Yes.
Kasim.
You bring your best to go and
cut no
shit.
It will be that.
No shit.
Jatana.
From Ghost Stars Nations whack.
2 ball lions. Nenke hasu.
Sure.
Nenke den.
Has.
Ke has. Enkan chere mo enke has. And on my postpone on say has no cut see about Sunday.
Yes.
But Blasters a book Comoros. Sunday wa cry. Nti cut connect has near to me bo. Tom the match day 9 no. About be replacing match day 5. Sana community think Lions, Gold Stars, has whack. So what I say?
Yes. So much as each that was you and was
the nations grab a show my house. Last season we can we chimpre enim ni achire twa wanim say hata and was saying JJ gu wachi so 2-0 it lead to the sacking of coach.
Yes.
Nya goodie yambra kotko line up my Gold Stars the na mount middle train of Gold Stars no and my ho adwuma ma no Emmanuel Konto, former young apostles, omu player. Hono kobo loan or a nations for player no come alone or young apostles. Ti after loan no mu hu no ma Gold Stars no ma je kakra e de ato achiri.
To achiri. You wanna Konto minimum pa.
Tu nya Konto. Na unya se Konto kai se one kotko bo wie na kotko nko fa no kai. To omu bop no mu say nations dia no mu zo yempe baby. We are workaholic midfielder.
Sure.
Yo.
Someone cano.
Yo.
And I'm for near grow.
Yo.
Tia mo so mo kanche sambamo.
Yo. Semana na makano.
Ibe wie na.
Yo. Ne do dia dia anom de apia makati aba for control. Ene e den control.
Control. Pia makati. League msu de ultimi mo ina nyini din fi.
Okay. Semana no. Kotokonie. Aziz, Dari, still, with Pierre Kamara, Edinato, Chire, I'm a Kamara, and me and start game. Good. Right back, Lord Amua, Bibian Kano, on one age in him. Left back, Patrick Esiedu, Yedimamonra, and Esiedu, on one. Samba, anyway.
Joseph Abulo.
Coach, no, any omudin como we no, I trust you. So we pay wo mumie no Lord Hilary Adabo ene Adabo wadwuma onve e match we
ba oba nyina ene pa no benya adwuma no
me se ene adwuma Adabo wo no
Hilary Lord Adabo
wadwuma
serebaru
okay
na wadwuma
enche be ko baba sports
sure na
ye be ko baba
akoye se ne ma esitie ho
na wanya branch a your friend Walid Hussein Neema
Walid Hussein Neema
and a Hubert Jawu to number 84 mienu Emmanuel Nchiko bench. Coach was not impressed. But the catch was right after game was stadium and umbisa questions. Say right after game no.
Questions.
And man for bisa questions. Nya man for mo kebi e wo mi Walid mani mo bi ba na penny for doubt and
fitness level.
Fitness. Say obetimi akwa aba because ene kontone eje ne twene no ombe mu akwa aba wo ti Walid obetimi akwa aba na dom na frɛ sɛ Walid Bobby Inti yɛbɛhɛ sɛ wobɛtumi aba.
Sure. Nti ɛno ɛsɛ ne tɛn no nti ɛsɛ nɛ oyɛ korɔbea player wɔnya first level awuram a make sure sɛ adwuma Gold Stars ɛde bɛbrɛ mu. Gold Stars ɛbɛ mɔmɔ adwuma sɛ ɛbɛ matches a wɔn mu
Walid Jawu
na asɛm ketewa
ɛne Adabɔ against Kontɔ Twene ɛne Ɛgyeyi.
Fifi hɔ no ne hɔ no battle no bɛyɛ
ɛnim no ɛyɛ Philip Amu Kudus. Yes. Zito attack it. Na
ɔnfa ngodi agorɔ nti wonya Philip Amo na wonya Peter Amidu Agwa ɔsɛ two guys wey no ɛba sɛ yɛmfa bɔ empusi wa I mean untimi nkana unyi saa 2 players mfɛmfim Philip Amo nya bɔ betimi de pusi
Kofi
boss
dina so mame
more fire
Kofi Aristotle masa wo won from mo de o kanyina ba masa Kofi
say o be director
Kofi o ha drain o management na ese Balotelli no Juma won ho papa
director general
na Kofi una wo stadium ye de adwuma na say bi tena kire na ebi kɔ wodru stadium no atmosphere ne te sen twamfoni ma omo monitor show Kofi jai susu na wotu akɔ Morocco na asɛm no eba o Kofi ya bro Messi aha yenko
listeners no me kuma say ta take the company for and yeah twetwe nkomo ahead work game no ho abra wo frɛ say the winning say kotoko ye nim da ya ba be radio na ya ba be sense me ye de mo agita kakra na so better about 10-15 minutes ago and am bedu aye baba ya sports say ye din kan e de atre ye viewers said and then on some Asante Kotoko ne Bibiani Gold Stars yi Ghana Premier League with 2 outstanding game no and so etimi e dey through no me o ka say supporters no egu so mo eba wo he obre na ka be sema na edun woche ama dwumede enye frase no supporters no gu so mo ba se de na nka ye mu bi ye hwe no se nko metimi aba wo mu dudu mu de no kosem ne se ente sabet ebre ni bi e do so wo mu a meka se wo mo beba bedin kan akọ media box akọ VIP me na oka se me na nkwa so amekọ the famous restaurant of Asante Kotoko na makọ akọ hwe so supporters do am so etimi aba bedu but no kwasem ne se enye nia Asante Kotoko ebo anajo game a nke be hwe ni se sabiri aka be sema kakra bi ama dwumede na fi ase no nka omododo sei ena nya aba beduru ya so we so bisa ya because aba bedu Asante Kotoko training aka ne se game center Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium and then you may game any Bibiani Gold Stars Babebono and so everything across America so etimi akokama e de amount ni say obisa ya bibia de na kwemu bibia so kama pa offer security personnel our hand both can say soldier for fire service any other security agency bia say this very game no one more members and answer some of their personnel should be present Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium no one more answer by do have no more say Bambo and so any can say Edio pepper your any began so rate me Atuja and so Kumasi Baba Yara Sports Stadium Kanina Uncle Kumasi Asante Kotoko anybody Gold Stars na you say now and compared to baby I'm stairs are your now they call famous restaurants on Kubu say line after 20 Heroes Park now mo buy tickets but no cost me say and you may me won say mo aso line mo buy try the can say tickets now mo aba share Kotoko any beginning Gold Stars sisi I am no ka say me do the famous restaurants me no ka say supporters no enye ne bebrebe and aso mo endorse the said here normally Asante Kotoko ba womo etimi eba no mba be hwe enhye supporters ni e wo fam spectators ni e wo fam ye pa enti se obi hwe obi tinyen na e wo na tibi se oba be hwe Asante Kotoko anase so e bia won che ye se Asante Kotoko any Gold Stars e bo anumre ya ene me yenkan che wo mo se Asante Kotoko any bibi any Gold Stars e bo ene anumre no so wo mo any bibi any Gold Stars nso ebetime abo ewa hanum amri bia etime akotama sem eberebe wum na se ekwan so ebetime abia nso etime de amam bia and the me seeking some of the attention of the supporters media and Kayano Mundi come before
Twaso
opening live on Obed Network. We're live on Fox FM Kumasi. In fact, globally, we're live. As Kotoko versus the BNI Gold Stars. First match, Kotoko winning here against Bekum Chelsea, Etna, about draw, Pandu Hearts of Lions, and on Sunday. Anyway, who shall say, Team Asan Kotoko game the game we said the amount. Me heard him say Kotoko, Ebese Gold Stars 2-0. Asan Sabring Kotoko, form pay. Na ya kwa Nigeria hapa kwa se para ena ya league so ya ko ball no recruit Chelsea ya so ya kwa se etina ne baba ya bia ma ya ba stadium ya tia no se obi obeba bia be fall last season Gold Stars ba obeje 3 and this season so Gold Stars aba no o mu say o mo na ti last year league ni there and I say recently o mo na ti league ni there. Yes, but Kotoko form so and the bomb 2-0. That's my wish. Okay, it's Kotoko Bese 2-0. Supporters Nibia Bapa opening offering here never do a Bayara Sabri. Oh, Miss Dynamic, never do. Let us say, do one of my supporters are and I took him on the Ababese. Go to and share the center line. And baby, I eat the restaurant Hamma. When you saw as a Kotoko supporter, Kotoko Bana, do not do a mabe, and so when and your because I am one. Then I guess what is on Bamono, and then and your sweaty pra. And one was a you know, do come and from my job of corn. Nipa the barnes and idea. Boy, years on TV, so I answer about television. Then so obey you can at least. I think you will support at the answer. Mutu put in now, Baba Born on I come. Oh, as assuming, wow. So that my many supporters in the community and so our high science or Monty and inside us and take the Quatano no will be a year. Now, you babitum Hana eating come opening more father. Yeah, Minia. By ocean environment, tell Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Environment in a good year. I will put a craft. Let's answer Kotopo. Before say, I go before if I'm up. We have supporters are Abba Hasina. Players, Yana, every year, Omokasa, Yana, almost Omunia supporters. Now, supporters are back. So, what check previous seasons now? The boy illuminate Yana Omokaba. Time will be up with Juma. They say, wow, what is you know? That's all how the serpent went to me and armor. Said, it be a real and a best was. I mean, you have to come up. And see me, many and yet supporters are about and then on. What you say, and Kotoko, able 2 home matches, and the second home match, and supporters no still no mumma. A name of you. You didn't and say, and then, so say, what not when you shall see. What is the thing that you seen a query mukakra? Now see the Ghana League, you see, and Padana or Eban, you know, money and your hosa. Now the Emma or any and your home as a standard of football ever form. And we are back. After the emergence of that foreign, that European, so move as an account. And Intina, some of you, you know, to man say, or can't say, Obama, what they say, Obama and Pada students, Abba, Abba, free. And not yet can say, Emra. As I said, what the Afrano Sas, yeah, you know, nice a kind of nice or don't Amakotoko. Because, Yana Emma, maybe be too many, Yana, and Nantiano, youth, nothing, Grana Mission. Say, I'm among your Ruby Amakotoko. Yampany for the Ediano, a way you more, yet you do, no more Ebano. They say, why, just imagine the Yampany for the Sibu, the new as your part. One of the Ebba supported. Then, you know, the Bompire said, that now was to obey the Omo answer on you. Not encourage me to be free. Send the bomb to be or don't Amakoto. What prediction for the game? Oh, Mamakoto 2 against yes. Okay. And it's over that I talk about supporters. It's been a famous Ogawa. Ogadia, we knew there. Baby, I'll be part of the game one. Ogawa. That's okay. Akwaba.
Yeah, Papa.
And I said, who are the Pachachi?
Nancy, let me be happy to pack a crack.
Now, let's come to the game. Oh, fellow Kotoko supporters, this is the second time I move home. What's some numbers are more Hanoma?
And so many. And so many coffee me and Catamina, I'm a boy from your home. Now I'm a boy who can the sense, I'm ready to see a kind of criteria Kotoko supporters. The same Kotoko supporters need you. Because in American time, say, yes, I bought a any pama. I was you and I say, or call a year, one to me, yeah, but born a 7 hour. You see me, who your Kotoko company, one can just support us and sign about a hell. Who's I see him to play away? That's how we contact. Say, you discover football. No, Kakana ever want Kotoko, come local. It's a Sunday every week, Kotoko, your what new we are. Down here, escaping a great one player, I take it in Panonco. Oh, Ayaka, and the minute, Magus say, give the idea. Play about coach about back to support a young family. Young found to transfer. Tim Lee, your property say, oh, to support about what you know. And Jimmy Stone, the entire master, the woman, and percent of supporters need how much to which they say. If you are seeing anything to the must be women, can take your good, you are every moment, because maintain on the other. Maintain on my seat. You know, woman must say, you know. Who is your promotion will be a line now, one thing. And a player we ask, oh, sister, do that. I better play so. You're not working about African Cup, and here is Santana 30 cities. And Nako to go job ball. 20 cities, 20 cities, Makotoko. When you got a supporter.
Well, I know I near Kansas and Secretary supporters. The Mekoswana, Mene or more Antite and Komaka because already Abdoma Silver right after this game, no, Kotoko aircraft for work. The supporters didn't have to say, yet me bebo a Babaya sport. Open him watch it. Yeah, come on. The coffee hole. That's a movie that we have to be in. Yeah, I'm now. You see, the Pabot Tower. Yeah, baby. Right. I say, may I say a game we Nafi at the ready of the bedroom ready for any ahead work. But by our any so over percent of Kotoko no work in the because here supporters anybody party and you say I'm a Jana Casasapa the best Madame Sepa 80 live live on say open network live as Eastern and San Chicago. This is what a San Chicago supporter had to say. Proud to the game. I 8 minutes to kick off. Meroka said, Afani Nuna check up every day. One more after team, one more famous dressing rooms. Now, maybe I a clear view of all the two sides, all the two dugouts, you know. Now, as I told you, I can say bench players, you know, about the rules from one seat. Or near cancer, dugout, you know, and so, and beginning goes as a reception, so, near cancer, almost dugout anymore. The cameraman, the media men for various clubs in Nano. And so, to my so many a capture. No, say Ghana Premier League a board, no, signboard, no, so Ghana Premier League right up, no, and so that's what come, yes, and we say players, no, every first year, every day, tunnel, dressing room, nothing, or more, and you can't say, I'll go to so, na, Jimmy, and so, a flash, maybe, so, I come to the say, Bibian Hopium, na, say, come and supposed to be a funny home, there, and for Nikakra. Ewo Ayukumase Baba Yara spotted any.
Kofi Wali they started. What is the expectations? Changes about Philip Amo start, Walid start. Now when you're a year Patrick Essiedu, what are the fans saying? Then the Chitafoni become about some of these changes. I will call and then what to say. Now do a class call and I'm saying, oh, so I say I type here. I'm out for so you better 2 and you better 3. Then of course.
No custom say scoreline there or more many or more 80 and common there. What is an if you air 2 goes to 0, if you air 3 goes to 0. But me knew Obia ending come about the starting 11 and Pepe and no I can see I won't me ever say me. Mammy Rassi to a couple supporters in me. Now, me miss more also say one more team seats in Umpa. One more who impact of air and say on Betimania. One starting with a branch and the thing a day a year. Walid Hussein Nema, Onyan first start for Antagoroko. Senior, live on Silver Network, live on Fox FM. Yamwaka. one who team sheet in one protocol starting 11, but one who Philipamo started ahead of Jones. Patrick Essiedu is back. Lord Amor. A bunch of friends said, what did you say in Neymar? Momo Neymar, no, or started. What's that team seat? And after starting a line up, Coach Abdul Karim Zito, Eddie Abu Apoimoya. Who said,
oh, first 11, good. I am a fire bar, said it to me. First, I've been a bit too good. Before convict myself. And fire bar, say, the place in the air. The first 11 there, by a bit myself. First, I've been a too good. I'm a head. If you come here, bit my the corner for.
Into 3 goals now, I don't want to enter. Opening also what you see, starting line up and say, now what the prediction account.
Your friend Alonso full time, but Kotoko, the Makuma Super Sunday by a born and I do move on your own. See, I never coach Nakasa and all board name Amono. Who was that first one you committed 3? First of 2 goals, and 2. No, I told some of my version.
Okay, see. Say more from a phone now subscribe to your channel. Say Obed Network inside of Asante Kotoko. Story being I will hear about Asante Kotoko, Timino, Yatanasa, the Somo, I may be as to Echo Kamapa. And when you go, one of the months now, when we are parent to Kotoko Timino, more dear Tinate, that is more about the Obed Network.
Yeah.
And the minute came without. What's your support, sir? Or more baby, when you saw.
I got this job at Hokla. This is a team. You'll be about an educator. Mr. Master, I can't do my poor to my ministry. I'm Master. You are by
Yense game ye wo edi kotoko echi me gidi se wo nkwada bere munya kotoko na wa support ya
maybe as an team dey kotoko na support.
Okay wo aso kotoko team ya ene against Gold Stars what is this game ni you say
because we support kotoko dey me kotoko win
score line wo predict ya
I be 2-0
so continue say o be say 2-0 3-0 2-0 3-0 any fight over kasa kan ho ma me
kakra be dey kan ho ne say Asante Kotoko me di echida na mra na me invite Abrantel na ball no me hwe nche na me ntene me biase ba me ko manyimu atene ma bi biase itin betra ha no ma bia obese bu bia me nsa me nye didi entia tia mu player no so ma a obi a usra dia ho bi de enka no esna bro ye supporters mu ha adwen esna ko idibra mu ha adwen omo ntimo na se ati football so nyema me nsa na wo ball win lose draw jebe be bia wa so na wa for ko ada be ba jebe ya di no ni ati na ko ba bi do aba no so no so ni pe du ako na do ma be jina ko papa no so no ni pe du ako na no do ma be jina ko wa so ade ko mo fo ti listen omo player be say ball omo nti bi kwa da na me pa che obi bisa omo say omo dwuma omo ye de omo ye mfom we mu so ye dwuma no mo yi say de ya mfom so be de ebe ba ye ya hwe ball la Kotoko ni affect Musa ball the life say e be to life card mu say ya ma defender be clear ball de de if you e se de po ya ko ka so mu da ade na ball na egura de be say ni de bi ye ni Lions ball no ye be hen se mom tisi waka e se ball no Friday e ba ba ball so a Lions ne Kotoko ball na wo Kotoko de nkwa na wo hwe na ne se e ball ketwa wo bia woni ball hwe bia ni se ball ne mo ten ye for to bia wo se enwi ni anye ye ball na abopo ye di create more chances as ball na nwura de it's there now be wo be fast can go mesre me supporters and chatia mo ne kasa be no tonso eti na Kotoko team no go home a ya na ye performance wo fo wo se bekum emfie dunum ni ye se omo hoda ba wo se ya we ni akọwe ni omo ba home a supporters ni o se ball na no tiem ye you kasa be breble bet ya no na abetamwa se ball
Kofi
na player will try to be no teni omo de e kwa akose no and am so wo nka no kwe se wa mo be pele se e ball crab se be obi o try to be na de kwa abetamwa ne mo ball e keno so kan se ma e tie be se support the team e ya o mo na for my place na mo nti ba e
That's a part. That is your phone now. Go YouTube. I say Obed Network on YouTube.
All right. Jama Obibia Kwaba and Famra. Say Obed Network as usual. And then you so yet Timmy Essingonia, Emma Refise, Refino, Abonabem say, Jenfa Jumadino, and so ain't Tim Enshas or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Ya to pass on our Peter, or Chabona Koma, Wally Nema, Waline Pepia Bonadeco, or Jejana Bonus, Wayne Kama, or German and so. Kotoko Bere, Panatia was said not to film, Refi or Jean Tosso. Yade 2 players out to Panatia was about Kodi on Tim and sorry. Ama Sesiamano Kasai Ogusua da Sunti was sorry. On say, baby, I didn't do it. Refino Giana just one jam for my Ti Sesia Meno Kasai Obia Intimate Shabi Asante Kotoko Shabi Sansona Obokua Jeffrey said, Babiani Gold Stars. I'm also intimate way a standing gamer. El Tofem Ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Don't forget about also Obetima share no fee. Was subscribing our catch on me say I say Obe Network live commentary. Yere Emamo and so chuma den so. Go say pepe man so quick one. Asawa bedi metema. Jean Toswe Abet Chabon so that children so. Kalabon referee Asante Kotoko attack as any monum. Charabechoma Samba no. And also Etmi Epia Bono. Ariama Bobokua Yefenesa Krobia Kumasia Asante Kotoko. Afenwa Johnny a 0-0. Ana Daho Sisia as a scholar. Jade Emamo Elho. Bian Shebi Sanso. Kotoko Shebi Bani Go Stars and Shebi. Makasho say Oba. Don't forget so that subscribe to what you say. Ablo. Kalabon and so to the floor. Sierra Kotoko Patupa on Fifi, Chabora Trim, or Pabeta Mon and San Swatima, Bonnet Betama, who Erema Ghost Stars, Pepiabono Ewani Monum, Sante Kotoko, Miso Banere, don't forget so that subscribe. I say Obed Network, I say Obed Network, goalkeeper, Jimaro Kobi was so wouldn't come up. Erema Bobokua, Yefenesa Baby and Ghost Stars. Oscola is important. Me say Oscola is important. Fabra na yenti menyere enkin kan famo live or Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Abo boni se tum itere ebeko wiemana control bona beto samba wona akalabo no so de fresho ere ma Asante Kotoko opa beta mo nanso jama abet kwan Go Stars. There are money out pretty well guys. I gave him no masa nya sam kito. Walid wa control ni kama ti for now stand similar the Pokemon tertiary and I am more enjoy movie no. The Gristans supporters all no. Ti ya kana mind no ya juman sa or the Angus ni nyina mamu. Or Angus en chabiara weto so. And so atimi ade mamu e wo juma de no so. The Biani Ghost Stars. Nafa bonus so the Boniba. A catcher say, Enra Yadimam Ewo inside Kotoko say, Coach Maswa Kroduna, a Jomia San Sam of Fanaudia. And Yanona Etna dugout. Out here at Tunia Mariama Ghost Stars. I be the Pemaba. The Pokemon tertiary. I must start Amujama Sashano. I want the Anyasam Kito for Jamani Niagro. Share. I'm for Amujamana and the Eniagro. Asante Kotoko and Shebi Sanso Anna. Bobokua, Yefenesa, Baby and Ghost Stars. I'm so intimate Shebi. Jantoso Enfa live commentary. Enfa Metiafua Mutie Seobet Network. Seobet.
Emmanuel Kobe, what is an upright Watela Eka, last season, but you put 8 clean sheets. I will leave you more. Let's another one was throw on all Benjamin Asari and a Lawrence Osel Kwando Heart of Lions. And the last season, he rated him as the top 3 goalkeepers in the league BYT. Yes, and
Lawrence was 16. Okay. What I say, Adaria or the Makoto was 15. Okay. And not top list, you know. Lawrence Etaye, it's 2 goalkeepers for 16. And 17 by Benjamin Asari. And goalkeeper. Our the okay, if you understand goalkeeper, Emmanuel, yes, yeah, Lawrence, you have 16. And now I'm gonna get 10 to a goalkeeper. Friends, and sorry, 17. It is a weapon and organogram. Yes, I know you white in out in Cano. I know you white in out in Cano and what we're so far, I'm still be on to mention where the Ghana Premier League outstanding match there to Fisher and then the commentary Abramono, Yaposi Badano, Cosiman Siani. There is still no go to either side. As Santiago to Shebi, baby, and he goes down in Shebi. Now Vincent Atenga or the one of the goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe will come on into the center circle. Or maybe see what the completely Rasak Saru, what you want to the Bosakama or the Panama Francis Chene, Chene Monama, Nino Betina Kana Sanu Kitabano, Yedina to rugby, what's the body of foul? Rugby is the body of foul, Mofantia, Kumasia Santiago. Kumasi Asante Kotoko. They say about ASC Manisia Kosiman Sunia 6 to 7 minutes from kickoff of Freddy Kana de Guswe Tojada Babayara Sports Stadium. Where Ghana Premier League outstanding match day 2 feature live commentary. Where the AGH Sports Live and I just said the commentary everyone still be on to mention me. Kumasi Asante Kotoko Shebi, Sansona Baby and the Gontas on which mention me. A temporary order at the moment in the BYT. Yes, game no Ajina Kakra, 2 things almost start to the game no sign and Ozimono. While who share a year Kotopa, or more maintaining a lot of the players are on the ball Nano Kosiada, Osha Aziz, Dari, and Asudem, and Samba will need to say Pablo, and Abrantia and Jerry to say Famoa, Dano Bo Treno, when you head injury into a punch of Patrick Asiedu, Aban position, okay, and Lord Amoa, and so on number 2, and who have people on a Hibajau. I'm not trying from the France when I'm really more refused those of free. And I'm so many idea or in Jana or Obi to say Philip Amo and Walid Lema. So 3 players will a move here to be called either France, Echo Pretty, but you better only a more Abian Nano as number 10, and Mama a year and Walid Lema, check a crumble. And I say you better. As a midfielder, central midfielder, they let me have a pretty from deep from Edabapua because Emmanuel entry is not part of the game. And I play Pamu about the other Peter Abni Duapa, as well as Mummy and son of Philip Pamu, a year Walid name of Seni, and he better Sami and Seminano, 80 million year. I will pay when I Peter Amidu, as well as the other side. It is me who said the air Quanamus and no, and but a couple attacking game, but I want 2 skillful players. I'm in the age of Tireno. Ebetiama said, the method of Bagan goes as a human year. Although what shadow got a home team you want to portray. Add more for attacking and Omunaya, or Pamoya, more or less a chocolate. Who shall be to say one name of sent from Boga or Sas was Santiago to Swatraman say. And I hear Jauna our defense, Kakana, no speed, Kakate, the other cylinder, and a Pitapa as usual. Or Japan no way is pista. Why say Mbappe will lie to you? Or that was what you acquire Paya Diaba. What I think, Emma Abetamua, Ebesa, Babia, more, and your 2 minutes. It is a way or more. Babian goes as ever dominating midfield and for the hour. Sakotako, be a second half of coaches in the Beshe. Now, Minim Dente or Yusus are 2 way, a year, Walid Nema, and a Obitisa, Philipamo, a pool. Okay. I have bright water and out in the Kano GH Sports Live commentary from the Babayara Sports Stadium, Ghana Premier League. Outstanding match there to Kemino and the April which made the summer say another temporary order by Yasen Ketua. And Yasen Ketua must bless me our pitch and so now and they know there's a red cross and another features and I say a competition and anything serious. And about 2 players and getting back on their feet. Now I'm going to Kemino so when you GH Sports Live. Young commentary and the Abraham nationwide, baby, I will be your Pabera Sports in the one why the Abraham said top radio stations and what kind of an up on the live promotional and 2 Jana come on for feed now and the amount of more viewers and also listeners now. They be answer and 5 months but to complete also and also come Yasumose, another player I will pitch in a swap. And pay for just over Soretan and also be here and so I come up. Atakumi and no, yes. Atakumi and Soretan and also.
This station rules the nation.
Whatever as you said, into the box. Now branching up in one. Yes, he just want to keep that one in play. Now see eventually Asante got the call. On my defender on my line, now why not the one ever? Maybe Ali Costa one of four match in the corner. One up to play to the B. Referee sporting infringement. Referee David Atani. Now I am very close to the incident. What's the body of foul? What's where there is now one guitar from the best of Vincent Atenga, which about it to the one to Michael and Kuan Duantem. One Duantem Mama Pona Contrasino. Pono Aka Contrasino and defending Jonah Patrick Casiedu. What about it to the one I could name? Now Santiago to call a branch of Vanessa Philip Amaya Sunimo. Then to Wavini Foria Santiago to go Kuno. Walid Fusedi Nema. Wavini Foria Santiago to come ranch and your body at Baby Costas. What where Samban Dunkani O'Neill or the body cost and Tasako. Now I read a project vessel of Hilaria Tabo. Yet this possession on a sort of visible fall. You have more effort here, baby, and equals to a mantero. I'm going to put this as someone in a Repisimonia fall. You have more effort here, baby, and equals to us. Yapo Simano. 2 minutes, 12 minutes into the first half, so be Shebi. Now watch about it, one at tomorrow. Or my boy, pick on a cut upon the attack. We'll cross the ball into the box. Now, coach Albert Amwan as soon as Sanchina Gana. The Biani Coastas one at defender of Malas and Kama. I'm a pono, Aqua Contrational, a goalkeeper coming the way of the champions. Maybe Biani Coastas, somebody at here. A Kumasa Santa got to call live commentary on TH Sports Live. Listen, nationwide coverage and the FM or top radio stations are. And what kind of fun you now move on life and Nana Chui Baba Yara Sports Stadium, your very went center of attraction and your attendance. Our Baba Yara Hano and Shada and your impressive crowd. And when he said to me that I am to us now, how much I want to see your flexible and Chimianko, a friend of us said when I told you going to play to the Ghostas and so on, Chimianko baby. Now, Pono, I have prayer. Eventually, my one appear goes as one of the money about Chikama, yet in a tour of the Washington was a born AFO, Yamo Alpha into Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Refi Simonia foul, Refi David Atani and Nanaji Oneyan Sentaman. One in the cinema, all supervising Yama to Tunyama. Ama Bibiago Kamana Bonia for him, Bibiani Costas, I've seen a Francia. You best have Francis Chinny behind the ball. Or 18 plus in this, or move your box in the Monamanche. So move it to me, the opening call of the game, Obian to Menchevi. Which about it to the Bonacho into the box. Now, Prantara contract to the Bosaka, Razak or the Bonapie, one of the Philip Ofori, the Tatina coach Michael and Kuani Sanjina Gara, Yayibona Mapona Contrational. A attacking through the ma, baby and Costa Prantara, I have Philip Ofori, one Cocotumano. And I'm a baby and Costa Mantero, and traveling through into the box. That's why you got to go for a fumble Kakra, or Martina Claire, baby and Costa piling press on Kotoko. That's what they be a Manaka. A brother versus someone don't Gani O'Neill, El Capitano, what defended on a camera, of course, what we need Koki Kadiama Santa Kotoko. William Patrick Casiedu, what we need Koki Kadiama Santa Kotoko. Now, without wasting much time, I must start to build up an picture. Someone don't Gani O'Neill, which I wanted to onto the left hand side, right hand side, so there be a planted to me for Bona Bedi from now. As I took to go to the Bonepa, or the Bonato Walid Hussein Nema, or attack it, Walid Tibika Baba, or cross the ball into the ball. There you go. Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Watu Atenedikai, Peter Akwamidu, Abranavesa Walid Hussein Nema did a great job from the right flank, Obekie good running to the box, across the border, Peter Akwamidu not at far post, and that's just comfortably, or tap the ball into the net, goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe, Ayasenko keeping the ball away from entering the net. That's one to be to our Baba Yara Sports Stadium after 40 minutes into action. Kumasi Asante got to go one. Maybe Annie Costas. No, be white to Kaya. Okay, say James Koso Kumasi between our two clubs. We know. Got to go Etaseku. Yeah. Effect from FA Cup days. And baby any Queen's Park. Go back, let's pen up. Always yenya a goal. And especially when I'm about Kumasi there. Definitely Kotoko will score. And then Kotoko and who have built up from that Port Douglas, and the Rama Peter Paso. Baby, I will die with 2 Mika. Namino, None another versus Obiti said, former House of player, Vincent Atinga, our more Anthony and Kobaya, born a bad tree, and my born a party. One or my end, Yamo Kotokotim Nabaso for that early win under 15 minutes. Now, we say now, who on Saturday away side? Now I try say, Ubenya goes to be at the probably Babiani goes this season also after Sako Jerry Abaya or Primo. 2 matches are also for the first game of what to war and Sako away last night. And man of that moment to this also say 6 out of 6. I also press or defending the league title. And we are going to come up as a Liga, which champion will be over compete or 6 points. I will 4. Also now for Shadow Transfer so that we will yield the representative for another outstanding game against Pasaka Oli Stars winner. Cause as what the good just for a junior winner, no action, now the Atlantis now good. And we are pride about the Sophia Historia now, and I will tell you before the start of the game now. BYT Castle said, just between Kotoko and the Babiani Costa Kumas, we are taking Kotoko Besoko, and of course, Asante Kotoko after 60 minutes into the game after Siba Tunsiano, Asante Kotoko Sabako Babiani Costas, Omutumente can a live commentary, TH Sports Live, they say, we're a nationwide commentary with top radio stations, Ghana, Fananina, the whole of Ghana, and so for Monita Chumadiano, Yantua Chumadiano, Joseph Ablo, with Chabana Chubana Chubana, now Bonabedi Kotoko Mantan or 50 for Moma Chunakana, Bonabeda Pranamese Manuel Conto, Yamana Quina Sudabi, Yarinatua Rocky, Tanela Tani, was a Bonia Fao, Yamofetia Santa Kotoko, who are still leading by Cotunil, taking quickly the Anana keeper or the Bonatua, now Pranabantua, on anybody come Michael and Qua, Abrantebitual Granada, a clever boy, and Sudabi, one Tamama Prantabansa, Haruna Aziz Tari, will be a better one of former goalkeeper in Pecha United. United, and then with Dinijuma and Makumasa Santa Kotoko. Our last game, I'm against Pando out of Lions Eronia, the competitive derby where Makotoko or score high mark on the list of coach and Fanny said. Let's watch what is so close about it. Amayibona Pierre Kotoko Kakakebi and Komunyon was second of the night. That's the one that you said, Kenja, still me now. Coach Aquanamiana to represent also. One already Samuel Takumi. Yeah, you want to free Nase, Peter Kwamidu, the goal scorer, Obetuma Kona, Peter Kwamidu, shouting about Philip Ofori, what play beautiful step overs, Obetuma Kona, Aquamidu across the ball into the box of the Edu. I'm a goalkeeper, Massa Emmanuel Kobi, what Pia Babachibono, and I'm a baby and the coach Tassamantino. Emmanuel Kobi last season, but it's a PYT Edema Ono and a goalkeeper. Keeping the most clean sheets in the Ghana Premier League, 18, and Otumi and then Black Stars number 1, Benjamin Asarikon, a 17 Nessa Emmanuel Kobi last season. He was just fantastic. He was crucial in Babiani Costas, almost 18 league now. Now we have to watch this way. Omatubane Tatam of Francis Chene, Obetumi Bonagana Bona, Yapre, Protocofana Miana Tenas with David Atani, Osebonia Fao, Yamo Funcha Santa Kotoko. Chaposima to watch 80 minutes into the first half, still at Santiago de Pachamako. Babiani Costa, so much to take a live commentary from the Babayara Sports Stadium, your venue and center of attraction. Now you have to watch Medellin, free kick, and Babiani Costa, how much just one better can they get the equalizer from this free kick? It's also they are still trailing, they are still down by a goal to nothing. Bonnie, free kick, and Babiani Costa. Babiani Costas and a free kick to be effected against Asante Kotoko. Francis Chini behind the ball with Chabona Simo. That's what I mean. A brand in the Chiba on us. They put Antonio Kobe Amapona contrast and a goal kicker. Asante Kotoko, Babiani Costas. Goalkeeper assist Haruna Tari. Urging his players to move upfield. Or Simon Common. Nami Mabon Remo. Sana Aziz Haruna Tari. Where Babiani Costas or Mutu attack Yasna. Razak Sanu. And then a brand of Samuel Atakumi. I'm a pressing Kotoko high up. It's no much man building fridge. Goalkeeper is Aruna Tari. I decided to make a long. And when he said in Chumunat here, Now goalkeeper Vasaru Natari edging his players to move upfield. Was sending a long one. Anyone at Jumo. Costa going to set the game and Panya by Pimbono. Now Chini Betimara. One to Nico my born as one at Napadre Atiman. Where is the option of the goalkeeper? Emmanuel Kobe. Which about it and Soribon at Jumo. Now Sanu. Wakun to one at two. Anyone on the right wing. Emmanuel Eche. Now shedding at one referee. Was about a foul. Yamo Fontia. Kumasa Santo Comrantino. Revisimonia Foul, Yamo Fencha Kumasa Santa Kotuko live commentary, GH Sports Live, Yefremi Abdul Rahim Ederson, alongside Bright Yabuatela. Messi, history, Kitana, no history, will be where the criminal. Tiloni, Yamunina, Alfredo. Now when the team so they go come and Yazam Ketua now baby Ani Costa on the attack looking for the equalizer. Now should have been got to command and you refresh Bonabedi captain Vincent Atinga Wakonto Manatua Atinga Probide Bonamano was switching on the right hand side. Now good control from Emmanuel Gonto or the Bonacho. Costa's one of this looks dangerous. Now so that's a great defensive work from Asantico to go defenders now. Oma manage to clear my line some upon a back of trust in a corner. Game in tempo, Achase rising gradually, make a fun down. What a game this has been so far. A chance as would be Pona Confasro. Maybe any Costas, or Motu Tron in Tetem, Pona Box Cinema, Rasak Saru, a connect here, and so the bottle over the bottle goes. I'm a Pono, I got Trustano, a Koki Kayabodia, Pepiani Costas who are still trailing, who are still down by a go to nothing. Peter Aquamitu on the sofa. When you're going to the Yamakuma Santos, timer, Nebo Ato. Costas are training now, so I 1-0. Yes, 2023-24. They left it. You're on the say, yeah, okay. Every car, I will be on the question, yeah, go be so. Where is that? What's that? You need to read the book about yes, I know. I have you right here. Some to me watching a bit of a crossing money to the book and tell the Costas to get a equalizer and Sunday. A plant and a ball of a confessor. The ball a crack of Fasro, one year cookie, get ready here. Hey, baby, and he goes out with Bright and Water, who baby, I'll be waiting at history free. So, see how the picture coming to the other. What is some posters and a cotocopo? Now, I'm coming to say, yes, you will be here. Yeah, they want a power and then, sir, I think to the F. Twasso. And as a finally, Obibe breaking a long standing good way. I'm running Kabia Betre, where Ghana Premier League outstanding match day 2 fixture between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and champions Babyani Coasters from the Babayara Sports Stadium live commentary on TH Sports Live across all radio stations our Ghana. This way a nationwide game coverage and at the Abraham and our Pona Control and you know a throw our Babyani Coasters. I'm over to the Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Yasam Ketokra, they are still down and Yasam Ketomania Play. When you found Momo, what you want to say to one of them, but to come and people on a pew, now born a bit future from Nesso, a branch of answer, a control a clever on a Juniaco, Vincent Tatinga, Wababe on a pew, now Samba, on a swat clever on a bridge, Mr. Bonomo Papa, we will swat also, beautiful border play from a branch of Albetawa, the wanting it, what touch one to the right hand side, one to Juniaco, and then on my Albetawa, on anyone go, watching, we'll go about Simana Debbie, a branch of a son that's supposed to be by Simano Kobe, one piling one out. That was close. That wasn't a bad effort at all. Asante got to go call for second as a goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe. You're calling it duty, and of course, was called high mark PYT. Yes, I bet I'm looking at the caliber of player our year. Through Olympics for last season in the league games about 12 goals in the FA Cup 4, making it 16. Okay. Africa was a open or no, and home and away. You come we are when you have 2 goals. So the league games are for the ball. It was for no and breaking that change. And that was in January 2011 was April. Yes. That was barely over 50 years. Or no and as I acquire, I go breaking that change. After Sana Chelsea, I've supposed to run 2 seasons. Ning na gonna question one. But about Prekum Nighting, and the other Tamu and Casano, let me feel it say. I don't know man of the blaster not to be. Thank one question. Go now for any one or disable or in one of them. Who should have your far in the place? And this tower was now play. The one that give the beer lobby and the power of the choir and kudos to goalkeeper. Emmanuel Kobe for that wonderful punch. I want to see our experience. One who said no. Sabo Usoma about it to approve first. What I said, or what the rest want to go on the choir. As the defenders are not first to the ball now. Pierre Pepano and Matt Danger Pierre Vines, Manimpo, Emmanuel Kobe, and Swabaso for also so the saves are. Send Benjamin Asaria, every keeper, you're going to get a lot. Ebe Yimanoko Beast last season, more boy. BYT and I say fantastic game coverage and a GH Sports Live. Yeah, this super baby will be away at nationwide commentary. All top radio stations in Ghana. I'm a fan of life for moving touch with it now. A temporary hold up. Yeah, Bosimana, it's 24 minutes of action. And Santiago to Pasamaku baby and the Ghost Stars. Omuntiman take a winner. A Ghana Premier League outstanding match day 2 game. And they had the commentary now. Every Babayara Sports Stadium baby will be once again. The Premier Rahim said, I am your lead commentator this evening, PYTS as my co-commentator, and when it's in the community and chapter, you very soon be playing Reverend David Atani, or Chato Tuniama, or Mekisho Sebibia Kama, or Yanis Savia, or Bewissel. Nasa ya resume play, of course. Ya resume play. A plan of Lord Amwa. What to one of one and Kobe Biago starts one of Manabete. Edward Atman. On the one of Wakati in Kama. Which about it to one of Chimo. Now when I got Samuel Atakumi. Over to my father that we are Pratia. You can say I am Nkuamu. Want to me for Peter Kwamidu. Want to me Chiamanakwai. Transition with a clever ball. Nanka Ojisha the run of a Pratia. I am I am Michael or Nkuamu. What do you want to Mama Pona Kako Trashara? A Kokika Kumasi Santiago to Metema. Ukuma Pema Pemba. Omobody baby and Coast Stars and when it's in the now. Goalkeeper Aziz Arunatari, watch a build up and Joseph Ablo, on the ball to the first one, Lord Amwa, when the Kitamana, what play ball forward, your Pia brother Vansa, and your flip Amadina to all, Ama in the reference. Was a porno, a foul, Yamofantia, baby, and Coast Stars and Mantino, a brother Vansa, a Lord Amwa, former player of Benabesi, former of Brekum Chelsea, on the Tinabonechi, which about it to Bonacho. Now, I'll bet I'm up here, what the former of the Bonacona, where you want to be now, you bet you want anyone ever, as Santiago the Comedy of Premica Fanada, they are looking for the second goal. It's over 1-0. I'm going to baby, and Coast Stars, Yaku, level scorer, it's almost and later, I'm going to extend your leader. And to more attacking with so much intent and purpose. There's so still the scoreline remains as Santiago to go 1 baby and Coast Stars 0. Yabosimana Etionu 26 minutes. Selobian to Meshabi. And that's sorry, as Santiago to Bashabaku baby and Coast Stars into Menteka, Mopachame, and doesn't get to Ian to us. Now, Oma cross the ball into the box. A chance and a Oma collected just 2 minutes of goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe. Once again, what here? I'm a pile of one out of one and say, as Santiago to come back and sit back to center. Oma Sansa Bonachabo baby and Coast Stars want to say, Bonaya Prapenas eventually my Bonapie, a Pranabes of Vincent Katinga, one is a clearance now. Now, one at the Bonico, a Pranabes Conto, what Tachimonato baby and Coast Stars on the move, and so Yatawa Claire, Bono and say, Bonavidia Pratia. Michael Unko want to me now. Philip Oforo and Boneba Ofori. A better shot like a fountain. It is once and I make a choice for the call. A man made for Mato now. Post us for the ball, of course. I got a call good attack. Yes. And what I won't talk about Quashadi. And the method, a ghost us and a Chinene, what I said. Came from Brekum Chassis to Bechem. Okay. And to see I want to answer more Masati. As I want to control now, just look at that. And we have BYT Arantino or a coach of a circle carrying Zito. So on your baby from Faho, as Santiago to commit for now been outplayed according to BYT number Matakra. And a poor easy pressure on the team. I know any assessment on the game so far. Yabo Esimana 20 minutes 8 minutes. If you're watching, as Santiago to Basabaku baby and Coast Stars. Omuntuman take up on the defending throw now. Patrick Casieru. What if it's a traveling throw? Or Chabana Besabet someone is searching a kind of Philip Ofori. What Clever to come and swap him. Another one. Now Bona could be from Wally Nema Junior for Bonita Umanity Tachibana. That's one Junior. Now Bona Bedi and Vivian for one Lord Hilary Atabo. One flick on the one of Lord Amwa. On the swat Tachibana tour. Now Santiago to call. Omunadi Bonico. Lord Amwa. Then Yabre. Yatawa Ibona Finance. David Atani, what's another was about the AFO? David Atani was about the AFO. Yamal Frenchia, baby, and Coast Stars, who are still down by a goal to nothing. Baby, and Coast Stars and from Carabaco, Omuntumente, Gamone, defending champions. League this season, I'm about 2 matches so far. I'm a winning in our first game of champion, SBT United, Carabaco, Mantumiante, and the next game, I'm of course went from a goal down. I'm over we need to one BYT. Omorano as a master title defense. Yes, and as a league champions and as a defending champions. Yes. As I want to start here. The first league game we had to say. O make sure so that 5 goals from someone attack me. And ya double goals on last year. When you top league we go say and Oye and Omoko Africa and Anya, but Omoko Amusako Swatru, as I could all blast as when I know the enemies all blast, week 1. Wabesha first go at Brackets and Sam Olusu by 2 goals to 1. The two of the enemies all work in Yamabekoye, Omoko Swam, and ya win, as I have said. This particular game I return, a outstanding match, 2 teams in the African criminal, and I gave and to US, who expect to say they are temporal. And yet, he said, yes, a African football, yes. We also remember clubs. But baby, of course, free will know JSK or Jeriano level. And you put that, yes, or we are free man, normal. Only has a focus and a Ghanaian club or kicking or Jerian side. Every capiness cabinet to adding. What does it? Right, Yawatela. Mr. Brother, before we are doing white history, and a corner of Chabana Sina Sulabi, or my one appear at Fair Post Car. And at the end of the course, defending our lines around, but the Romantic does want to keep down in play. I'm across the bottom of the Edu, now Banabidi Samal Takumi, or control Banatachana Machine, now Francis Chino when they move, or maybe any coasters, or the Bonama Pranavas Contour, watching the Biamana Pabana Prayer, now Banabidi Philip Ofori, or the person at Wakama, a French Avancer, I am Michael Nkua, Obet Machina, and Qua trying to make his way through the box, Yamana Coin, assistant line 1, or Mani Flag no throw, and Tiboni Foul. Patricia Tra, or incident and Omani Flag no so Amaineno was signal center whenever David Atania to foul, and I'm up Biani Costas at a very good position. Yeah, I am more than Abasun said, okay, Patricia, or starting referee. Yeah, nothing encouraging 2018. Okay, there was Women's League Division 1 or back. No about the team, no I'm encouraging. Oh, now, why so what I say? Why are there so on the good view? But so I at the answer, Paul, yes, family. This one, it was the one of the other. Our baby, your soccer historian, and now, Bonnie of Fiki Karima, I have a goal starts at a very good position. Omobesha somebody Benya equalized and before the end of the first half. They are still down by a goal to nothing. Ghana Premier League outstanding match the 2 game. Wachabana Simo Nasunabi, Kotokofana defending our lines now. Now so baby and goal starts putting pressure on Kotoko. Almost answer the one of them as Ablo, where you going to preach now. Now Ponaba Vitia Joka, Waneko Vincent Tatinga, El Capitano, Watatwana Jumianko, Nako Oya played into trouble. That's what find his safety. What clear on one Casani Mesno. Wachabana Quentin Kotokofana, you want to be now Banakodi. Edward Atman, or the Bonato, baby, and he goes to one and after Emmanuel Eche, who are cutting beautifully, or probably the Bonamano, the Tatina Julianco, a brother versus Savala Takumi, Yadia Piawamano. There's a rugby, versus David Atani, and Sonia interested. Kevin Campbell was here, Papa, make a fan out 2 teams, Robiania, Bueno, GH Sports Live commentary, nationwide game coverage. And then Ebro baby Biawobia, Mexicana Fananina, nationwide baby, Eche Tumadiano, Yatio Bibia, Moanero, just a moment to Tumadiano from the Baba Sports Stadium. Yatia Munina, Messi Unia Grana, Unihao, just listen to the commentary. Here come for the Kamakama, and Amana Sandago, they'll take it over. There's a clever forward ball. There's will be a new Vincent Tatinga, El Capitano, Rebona Coach, and the Bonamani goalkeeper, Emmanuel Kobe. Now Kobe Akontoba looking very calm. With Chabone Tete Bonachobo, baby Anikos, Emmanuel Eche, 1 junior for Bonama, Pona Contrational. It's a defending throw coming the way of Ayakumasa Santiago, who are still leading by a goal to nothing. Lord Amoa. When they got to Bonama Kotoko Mantero or Etienne Mantero, someone come and go. What to Bono now? Kotoko Mantero, when they Bonepa, or when they are looking for their second, a Brantana across the Bono, there's a Gideon and Avani Clarence, not the best. So Kotoko Pile press on across the Bono, that's all. Goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe. Opies and Kokadabono, that's one to me. I'm a Pona Contrational, and you're gonna kick a Yabodia. And you're gonna kick a Yabodia, baby, and Stars who are sold down by a goal to nothing. Yaposimana, Edia Samia Sanye, 33 minutes of action from the Babayara Sports Stadium. Sela Santiago to Guachamako, baby, and Stars, Omuchimentega, Ponia Kona, Edema at Santiago to go, looking to double the lead on Mujerimo. So, Obesco, maybe at Sanabel Mills, Afeno. I'm in a comfortable in that delivery into the box. Goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe not properly clear the chance as should be. Goes to Mantani eventually. Oh my God, now Razak San over to Nakana. I am Prapre, Yamana Quadra, Abrantana Tina for Bonako. That's what we need to. Eddie Baby and goes to Mantano. What we need to apprehend the best of Philip Ofori. Whenever to Bonama Baby and Costas. Philip Ofori, watch on Gideon Anaba, now Anaba contribute to or to Tuneni, back to Gideon, Philip Ofori, so that we this one to body game, was also to Bono, and the Bono come Gideon Anaba, now baby and the ghost as Kitabona Foba, or the Bonaco Vivian, a Pranja Vansa Contone Bona Junianco, Peter Kwamitu, Bafobana Kotoko, he's got in the option of a brother Vesa Betawa, they're ready not to repeat Kevidatani, was a born AFO, Yamofatia, baby and the ghost as a Matero, Philip Ofori, when they could discuss someone in what you bought it in so. Aqua Amidu STV Bono or your body fin one make you run on Washer Rani Bayu and all the approach from Antibono a free kick for Kumasa Santiago to be affected against Baby and Costas. Bueno, and a Ghana Premier League outstanding match the two Fisher from the Babayara Sports Stadium. The Abosimana Ejiasa Lumie 35 minutes still as Santiago to Bashabako. Baby and Costas and take about the free kick for Kotoko. Bakumia Miasa, the Chabana Sintete, Kotomata Pibona to nobody in particular. Ama Enero, Bono Aqua Contraction or Ayokoki. Bonnie Koki, goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe. Messi the 2024-25 Ghana Premier League season Omeki 18 clean sheets. But it's a P.Y.T. and Nina Emma Monessa on their goalkeeper keeping the most clean sheets last season in the Ghana Premier League. And then on the Supema Oyetuma or a former goalkeeper for Quatano. And then what you know about Oti to my baby and he goes down now. Pona Aqua Contraction and you throw it out to the Tias and go take it quickly. Now baby and he goes down on many play on the one view. Francis Trine on the one was switching play down the right hand side. Or just Michael Nkua, Patrick Castillo, Marquez Nkua, Favaro, Wafao, on the Asiru, Antune, one Messi on the total in the tour. Robinson side, watching free kick at the edge of the box. Tani. There was a huge appeal for baby and he goes down for a penalty. Now Robinson. Incident happened outside the box. And you know, or prefer free kick. PYT, minimum sound referee, only said one on the corner right. Another Udia who be before throw. Yeah, Osha from behind, you know. And the nine ball play, I know, a ball, all right, but the nine ball play, I know. But as Argentina and ball, Nakasana and nine ball, a ball play, I'm not playing now, war bonus. And the boy, in this case, you are a foul. But baby, I'm going to one on the money you. What I said, you know, it was a good tackle. That was give him up for the far end, okay. Yeah, no matter for me, you want to for of course. None of that can't clear, and you know, it was a good view. I know you have PYT, you know, or what David Atania Basso was saying, referee money take him to follow, or Rani Dubone Chintino, Arabia, Onya, a very good view, no, and he taking decisions, and of course. I want to free kick to get champions. Baby and the Stars at a very good position. I'm going to bet somebody back to your car. I'm going to bet somebody back at the leveler, the equalizer. This is a store from Carabaco. I'm going to take a Peter Akwami to sofa. Oro Enanya Kono. Eddie Amabobo from Sakumasa Santa Gotoko. Came near temporary order. It's answer. Baby and the Stars goes. I'm going to play on a soda form. Michael Nkua on the good channel. Monza Branson on the intro. Hey, I look serious. Porcupine Sesharino. Almost Nyasam Ketwaka. They Pia Kotokobe Kobia. Almost a supported team in Nyasam Ketwa. Michael Nkua and Abanchay. You hope is a BB positiveness on the Swaba back. Abetua Kevin Sodia, my baby and Nico Stars. Someone from Carabaco, which meant take up on your free kick at a very good position. Monica, you papa make a fanata, baby, and he goes down with a free kick. Philip Ofori, the Ginabonetti. Baby, and he goes down with a free kick. Captain, the man's watch a man, okay? Watch a one, Simo, that's what I'm going to be. I'm going to be a good danger, still in a still, baby, and he goes down one. They are piling pressure on Cotoconas. Oh, a branch and a pass was too strong. It's Edward Atman, one team for one in term. How much I want into the box? Joseph Abelo, where you going to bet it all? Now, baby, and he goes down. So, Mama Bona got trust, a defending throw, taking quickly. Emmanuel Conto, or Sansa Bonamai to Atman, Atman, Chabot, it's a 10 to Bonachimo, the one echo, Saprana Sakakumi, while wasting so much time now, Philip Ofori, on a Peter Kwamitu, while manager Gary Bonakama, I'm a Pona Aqua trust, and you throw now Now, Philip Ofori Guso to Tuneri, what to one of the Bonachimo, now one of the Pranavasi Manuel Contoba to Philip Ofori cutting beautifully, or the one of Francis Chene, which I wanted to take to Bonachimo, a great defensive work from Samba Donkani O'Neill. Amabona Contrast and another attacking throw taking quick now. Nabili Razak Sanu, the person up Chene with a drive now. So, how are you going to be? One of the center circle. Now, baby, I go to Salusman, Hubert, on the Boneva, a Bracana making way at Natua, or fight at Yasaso Mianati, Hilaria Tabo, which I wanted to take to Bonachimo. Now, Kotoki Baba, Emmanuel Kobi, Wapia Babachimono. Emmanuel Kobi Abeche was starting build up in the bottom of Pranja Vesad with Atiman. When is Yuki Tabono, which I wanted to take to Bonachimo, Emmanuel Ete, Echebechimiana Mosa, Samalata committee with Kawatuo, or Mechimacho Dekanani. Bonacco trust in attacking through Edema Babiani Costas, Omania Premica Fanatao, Omania Prepomacate and some other sort of form, Omatuba Catasabona, Prayer, Nasudabi, Cotomacamana Betabono, or the Kibika Baba, Bonabi Center Circle, or Chabon down the right answer, where left them. They Saka Pita Kwami to the goal scorer, now Aquamitu, on Edibonico, against Gideon Anaba, Obetumakana can get a penetration, Wakati the Bonama Prada Samoa, Aquami Nasudabi, Yablok in the Bono, because Satana Baby, now one Ediboni, but typical end to end action. They can find out two teams will be in Yabre. So for Marcel, good game. Oma open up. Opie Pony game, make a fan out end to end action. Give it a corner bar. Asante Costello Machavako. Yapo Simone for 90 minutes of action. Akasimane Num and the Rafine Betoso. Near the Fedicani Poneway from the Barbara Sports Stadium. A Ghana Premier League outstanding match there to Fisher. Bibiani Costas Kumasa Santicotoco, Obiana Cotoco Marco, Costas Engineer Tekara, Control the Bonacochu, or the Bonama Flip of Curry, where you see the option of the goalkeeper, Emmanuel Kobe, Kobia Contobanato, edging his players to move upfield. Emmanuel Kobe with Chabone Tete and Sorry Bonachuma. Now when I got a Zaxaru, what you mean for Cotoco Mantanati, who will be Bonabitu, or just Samando Gani to Patrick Caseru back to Samba. Now Samba Odia Capitaru with Chabone Tete, Georgia Pitagua, now so Philip of Fori, where you want to picture on my flicky Bonabona Junianco, Hilaria Tabo, Watuaso, Abranabas Aguamitu, on the Ofori, Ofori Flicky that you're going to be where you bet your Kamakama. That's a great defensive work of Ofori, Omalusimono, Cotoco, you bet your one anybody go, Watachimonato, Abranabas Flipamo, on the Kitabono, Obetina Corner, Abrantin in Yapre, Cotocona cross one into the ball, Nasudabi, Kokiba Basima, Wamesima, and so. That was close. That was close. Nyamekwa. Ekaka Kirebika Kumasa Santikotoko. Almost second goal of the night. Nelson Omanjumi, goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe Pierre Pale Bona to 1 year. I'm a Peter Kwame to Twaso, so unlucky. Bright Taylor, look at the opportunity. Ekaka Kirebika Kotoko, and almost second of the night.
Yes, baby, I'm on fire. Peter Midu Abba Musekipano. Abba, Wabe Rico, it's your message, Mabona Kobakino. Sankabe Tamwa, Nanya Chia, na. And shop on my own direction or what? Everyone or giant born say, everyone got on the message. It was what up on first and a partner power the woman and a daddy born about anymore. A bar on Ukrano, what a shade line, Suniadi. Indeed, Nanyas and Botuano Sanka, a second bone pass over, but all the same, no, and Tian Platinum. Babian Costa, Egusway, Unsequata, Ungrano, one other guy, 2 seasons ago. Since we're done from Asakem FC, I'm not the Asakem Bed Division 1. Martin Kakarimoni, those players, I'm Ponsamano. A true Abano, of course, on the website, Eya Juma, and one shall not comment protocol. Defenders, especially on the left part of the defense, Patrick Asiedu, Eli, and one trip the very big blow. But an experienced player never was able to go just last season. Samson Eduku, and a Musu Ababetium Epa, and Edukus from Asakes, from Elimina Sharks, from Tamale City, our Papa never play. Our Chromia had to find Abanti, also Sobabe Rama, input for the Banana, and TRS, Eduku Sobano, be on Lucy before ever bomb, but you would not tough on him. No, so goes in here. It's 12 and yes, we have had here. Also, dear Babat, and Kuana, what you know, a big blow at the moment because of pressure. No, they the flanks for at their mom.
And we are proud of what Michael and Kua, of course, we're so unfortunate on the Primo Amendino. I proud of us something to last season. in the second half of last season, Obabe Chumadi Makumasi Asante Kotoko, and something that took Obabe Chumadi Chumadi Amabe and Eagle Stars. Now you have to watch my swear. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko, and anybody call. I've granted with Chimaka Bane Aprapenaso. I've got a best Gideon Araba, what Palu Bode Petro. Now, what I mean, Lord Amwa, Ubechimia Kona, what guided one of my phone, I got constructional. The Aposimana, 44 minutes of action. Akasimane Bako, and in the referee, Edebatoso, near the Opedicani, live commentary, GH Sports Live, your live game coverage, and you may say across all radio stations nationwide, and the FM stations, our Ghana, and so I found a live, and baby, be a woman, touch my channel, so say, GH Sports Live, your live game coverage, and the FM from the Babaya Sports Stadium, I have match day 2, outstanding game between Fabiani Coasters and the Asante Kotoko, Coasters Instrument. Now you have to watch my so Gabriel Ajinaka character primary with that picture. Yeah, very soon be playing at the piano so I find represent saying what indicating Simami and Sarah Bizamba Simami and Infantoso. Yes, Nessa Sima, Etiana, 45 minutes in our Sontino, Revisamba Simami and Safankao, and crossing the fire, as Santiago to strike and Yaboni, goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe, will be able to manage Yama, baby, and Costa Samantero, and in his place to move up field. Osemon common, I mean, Pecha Bonamra, with Chabone Tete, and Soribona Chumo, now good control from Emmanuel Conto, Wakonto Banatamo, which in a corner, Koto Martin and Yanati, now Koto on the attack, or Machabona Chumo, and once again, to nobody in particular, I'm a goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe. Baby and Eagle Stars will be about the Subon Secretary now, or I tell him Martin or Simoko, was at the good of the picture. Now, what I made a brother of Filippo Furi, which about the Tete, or my Fleckibona Waneko, a brother of Satakumi, what about my brother of which now I want to go, where you want to, a brother of Tuku, some brother of something to do across the bono, I will not carry a pile of out and so. Eventually, got to come back to us. Somebody knew where you want to picture on and say, yeah, got to go still. I'm under pressure. Coasters going to provoke at your shot as well. Straight at the throat of Kogi Babasa, Aziz Arunatari. He saw that one coming and took a dab on the Kamaka. Yes, Imano Nigeria. Oh, Imano Nigeria. Free, Basaka Holista. Yes. And almost sign off. And all shall we timidity. But why a stubborn player? And I see her. Only Mirikat to us. Give her to Melanie for someone to what you go. What coming? And baby, I was on the guy in cash in the baby, I was at the ball, that shot, unexpected one. Yeah. But goalkeeper, Aziz enemy, justice to Sabula Chinabano and Wakabono, straight. And yet, if you're Pontiaco, and I said, or yeah, for a record. Yes, why are the Mamona Basobat? Midfield no still, as Santona in the second half, also we deploy another strategy to shield some people in Nessa. Hilali at that because only defensive Pierre Biman, yes, and goes as for new practice. And your price of what tell BYT, Messi, Ebony his job to be BYT, what completely got to commit for no, and of course, so watch a game from the starter, you could clearly see, sir. But the team that struggle on 50, even though they are still leading by go to nothing. You have to watch the swear. Simami and Sana Refi Editosono, Yabomu Miru, Akabako, Nayara, up first half now at the Babaya Sports Stadium, your venue and center of attraction, where outstanding match there to fish out the Ghana Premier League 2025-26 season. But the Basabako, Coasters, Entumenteka, enter here resuming play. Monse got to play back to Kakane, so you will be very positive. Yeah, Walid Nema, one former teammate, okay, Philip Ofori, and I'm saying airborne, Walid for double Caesar, and a couple of TNT. On one former captain and opportunities are referee and and like one, a Patricia Trapeja said no, a career threat. What's that? A head injury, yes, as a stopping game in a restarting place, which is a foul, people or 12. Reference at Tabiratania Sarabensian for Fedicanina. And at the end of the first half at the Babaya Sports Stadium, Baby Coasters and Shebi, Chobia Kumasia Santico to Metama, Ukuma Pema Pemba, Omo Eshema Grano, and it's the first half of the area. Peter Abra Amitu.
Alright, I know Senator Nuko PM a Babaya Sports Stadium. Na ofedi kan no etimi aba na wiye na afe na ojonia na afe mo so mugina so mo hwe no ma me fanto onim se boboku a ye fe ne se Asante Kotoko ato atena baako erete boboku a Jefene se Bebiani Gold Stars ewo eye Baba Yara Sports Stadium eno so enye asem kitokra be se yebenya Asante Kotoko no ede amamuna fe musuma ere monso motimi enjoy bi na motimi ha comment oferi kana ba awie Asante Kotoko 1 Gold Stars 0 na sesia me no kasai se obet a champion yes Baba Sports Stadium enti mo betene at the right time se o tujan eri flow eri ba eno so enya asem kitwanti HOD our stadium me no kasai wo bude ketem ama sesia me no kasai wakudu Baba Yara Sports Stadium after the game nyina na obodi nkomo na fietima he ama ne mai de enso atimi akosie na oba na wa subscribe no yede enso watimi ayede atima share na yetimi akwanim ama dwumade no enso atimi akoso kama entimo comment no ha matise mu busa se na Argentina game no yamfa ama mo live dwumade no se emada ho enti eniko se you go beyond ese you go your standard enti sanity enti mu no tofa bona na me de amamo no what I say te like comment no ato ase kama monso mo enjoy bi on your screen amamo ere monso motini ahye eye dwumadeni bi no enti comment no ha Prince also appear so Kotoko don't own the right okay na just say no TV right no asem ono so eka TV right en so asem ama bibia de enso atimi akosu ya eno so enye asem kichakra nti ofedi kana ba na wiye Asante Kotoko 1 ana fere so ayeboboku a Jefene se eye wonti eno sene teno na wonso wo enjoy bi kama pa ewo dwumade so a eno so enye asem kichakra maka tro se oba don't forget so be dey onso obe subscribe na fe onso ide onso otima share na ode amonyo na nya atimi ahye eye dwumade mi kama pa ye ba read mu comment no atimi ede amamo ye ba read mu comment no ide enso atimi ede amamo na monso motimade atimi ahwesene enyema esi eko ewo eye dwumade ne so yes Asante Kotoko enso abomodena amahye eye ekano ba ko abrante fe Peter Amidu akwanti go no ana ohwe no on your screen go no ana ohwe bi on your screen ewo dwumade ne so a eno so enye asem kichakra nti go no ana ohwe bi on your screen na onso why John buta ti ayi no yes beda puna na ohwe no beda puna na we onso ohwe bi kama se obet ewo Baba Yara Sports Stadium after the game e ko ahoma no so na eja yere na bonkomo na onso a gene review the who for game no be drop it down e de amamo ewo dwumade ne so ti de hia ne se oba obere obe subscribe na unso wati mashe na ode amanya na unyare etimi ashe eye dwumade ni bi kama pa wo Enchano yabahana yatimi akroso eye carpet no na yawese ne niam ne dey enso esi eko ewo honum na musuma ida musuma etima enjoy eye dwumade no kama pa asante kotoko ose krobia nkurubje ni basaya na ebibia enso ekosuye mami keke message ni mamo also ordinary mensa bonsu also kotoko 2 Ghoststars 2 yes and we reba no Samsung said Dan TV okay also tima channel dwen also Yao AJ Janfi also easy guys this is an outstanding game from you 2 that is why it is not on TV Kotoko is playing Nations FC this weekend and that will be live on TV3 and on your TV. No need to cancel your Fabu census. We don't have fans in my pala, fans in ya. Most of my pala say, when you may be entering and live now, Mojano. Not more cancel my Fabu census. No, Munabutere, now be fine. Where a outstanding game. I ate from T. Akobane sa na ehadwen akobane sa na ehadwen ani yesu entime de entime ntwa emfama mo what I say yesu entime ntwa yere enso emfama mo fa Pedersen etofem na yentim enkenka emfama mo fa Pedersen de etofem na yentim embo kire dan no enso emfa emam kan say okay obiso de dia bo say only one goal. Is this game so invested to do what? Ke Safo enso de dia enso tenaba Richmond Adu. I'm watching live in Germany. I know saying rich everybody no. For comments about Peter enso there was say if you cancel Fabu census why announcing the right has sold the Asada production so how do you expect Kotoko you to show live match? Eti eno ASN ACL Jumade no. Don't forget so about subscribing na what ma share. Don't forget so about bere. Over subscribing na also what ma share. Maso game that started at that Maso enchi. We say game time. Time bay where I started Danny Ajiman Pempe Asante Kotoko 3 baby any Ghoststars enso benya 1 eno ayere ordinary enso timaba yaro nsam no to janti mo pe goal ahwe no and dey screen sin so no se obe network mo pe Asante Kotoko goal etima hwe no ani e mo highlight ni bi ahara unsa baka me say after the game you be ram our Baba Yara Sports Stadium nothing yene se obet a champion enso etim edin komo na yewe said hon komo ere enso esitia enya sanketo o stadium a ototo niema toto niema kama go de ma catch us fe o he beda po fe chire from Asante Kotoko yard mu na etimi get into baby any Ghoststars omo yard mu a eso ni so okachire eso woni enso okachire ti anu bi na ho he no konfe ara motemi nka no ti Ghoststars go mu consider ye no ana area to screen so area mama mo so mo enjoy bi no panyan hey solid in fact go na fair Peter Amudu Akwa. Hey, my goodness. Hey. on Johnny me go ni bia brasese on Johnny e me asante kotogo mo hye ya esiama of 5 edikan no aba na wie ya na mesro Johnny ha so mo ko chire mame na etie for enjoy amu chire re tin konya so no na etie for enjoy na amu so nyere entimi enhwe eye dwuma yeri bi tiwe aya sante kotoko Peter Amedu Akwa ni go timi hye no onso wo hebi no hey Y2K from Kwamai hey bro mi krom suta Kwamai ana se Richmond Edu yes Y2K from Kwamai chairman Kwamai minima na se esuta Kwamai ana infa that I'm tunka why etiano say tenche ye be cross carpet no na yetima bram Baba Yara Sports Stadium na yetima ye say ye dey ofa etosu mienu no enso ebetimi dia bram ya say ye dey ofa etosu mienu ere enso ebetimi abram na mo so motimi enjoy live commentary bi ama bibia ere enso etima kosue Masa go na de munyi free so mo yesa mo ha me ne metiefo mo yesa mo ha me ne metiefo pa mo yi go ni free so mo ha me eti mo ma no nyere enna so saa mo ma no enna so saa na ye hwebi mo ma no enna so saa na gentibere entim enhwe e go ni bi yes this is Asante Kotoko go munya solid ole pawne kwa mami pawne kwa mami na yenhwe Asante Kotoko nyiti tama na Peter na masia ha tina Peter de na masia ana born ekọ goal kick what I say ana born ekọ goal kick ti kati na chese panyai abanta yiti enie born true born ko true ani atubo na true ana petere ekoso what I say ana petere ekoso ti Sakwa de Mark Nimo Osise Obed I'm listening to you live from United States yes ti chawa no ordinary area and so etimaba Eric Adusai also you come to baby any not TV live okay na che Kotoko for so ba no TV live bia no ma kwan kra na baso the technical team na ma Kotoko oye de wa Peter ehye go no na omoni agye in fact na solid what I say na solid Fabu kase Fabu Etia say Obed network oba don't forget to subscribe na why they want to watch share don't forget to subscribe na why they see we coach no asan coach no Asante Kotoko please also come here we dey say wow and also don't forget the blasters adinkunim Kotoko dinkunima ash nene nyure de nyure be hu bi o nene nyure be hu bi bruta ti Asante Kotoko asaka ba ko ama bobokua je fere se bebia ni Gold Stars omutimi ere ente kanu enti yebe sene enema enso ebesia ko ofa etoso mienu the highlight for Asante Kotoko Michael Kankan please we can't see any goal only celebration oh cham go no baba me so Johnny sese ne he go no baba wa celebration go no Peter say no e baba sese e e be chire jona odi amamo enti tama pacho incident ni nie we air time Peter Amedu Akwa go no e le tom no enti wa wo busa mama ko pedi ni bi wan ko pedi ni bi anko pedi ni bi na men kan chane se onjina so na yɛhwɛ ɔngyina saa ɔsɛ yɛ Michael Kankam ɛtu sɛ mapɔsɛ adeɛ no nti goal no nie ɛna dɛm no goal no ɛna dɛm no panyan goal no ɛna dɛm no panyan nti atiefoɔ maba no mohwɛ goal no yie mohwɛ goal no yie mohwɛ goal no yie kyɛ sɛ wɔmabɔ ne nsiwɔ koraa wɔmabɔ ne nsiwɔ koraa na kyɛ sɛ datena no ti Michael Kankam wo busa sɛ Asante Kotoko goal no wɔ no ana yɛsɔre ama wo no yɛtwa angle no nko asi wɔ tu's assistant coach Prince Osu ɔriri Cash panyan na ɛdatena no panyan Puskas go paa enti afɛ no adwɔne a aha yɛ sɛ wobɛne kyɛ Asante Kotoko 1 Bebin goes to 0 ɛnkyɛ yɛbɛkɔɔ so carpet no na yɛtumi awuram ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadeɛ no na nso ayɛ nso watumi atie ɔfɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu no ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadeɛ no so line up no Aziz Haruna Dari maka kyɛ sɛ ɔno na ɛmante no goal post no Aziz Haruna Dari yes nyɛ sɛm ketewa koraa ti oba no wayɛ dɛ wasubscribe bi na nso watumi ahyɛ yɛgu so ɛkyɛn sɛ ɔfɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu no ɛbɛwuram na nso watumi enjoy na wahwɛ bi ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadeɛ no so sɛ wobɛne track o message no yɛwɔ ka mo no yɛkenka message sɛ no de ama mo Jonas Ofosu ɔse Jonas from Zuke Kotoko 2 yes ɛne ɛde Jonas ɛnso ɛtim ɛde baɛ no Collins Buffy ɔse commentator do you understand what you got to okay ɛno ɛde nso akyɛ no adwe ɛno no ti yɛhwɛ sɛ yɛde ɔfɛ ɛtɔ so mmienu no ɛde bɛba na mo nso motumi enjoy ɛwɔ ɛyɛ dwumadeɛ no so yɛgu so a ɛtɔm a yɛde bɛma mo na mo nso motumi ayɛ atie nti Kotoko goal no ana mo nso mohwɛ bi no Asante Kotoko goal no ana mo nso moyɛrɛ mo nso mohwɛ bi kamakama yɛgu so atwɛn sɛ yɛde ɔfa ɛtɔ so mmienu no ɛde bɛbrɛ mu na mo nso motumi enjoy ɛyɛ dwumadeɛ no bi yes yɛfa no live from Baba Sports Stadium maka kyerɛ sɛ Obed ɛwɔ around yes ɔne team no nyina akɔpɛ no kɔmfedeɛ kyama mebutu studio ha sɛ agya akora yɛntimi amfa mankɔ bi na yɛhwɛ akyi ɔsɛ Nana Boakye I'm watching you live kyama yɛrase paa yɛrase I'm watching live from Germany and where everybody know Eric also Kotoko good work Samson Ada Kofi Frank or some more fire yes in cancer and Kuruma also Kotoko Besha 2 and no area on switch with the buyer yade emamo ewo 20 Kotoko go no and I will enjoy no Fedi Kano and so abana area in a way ye chance second half ever twaso yes yen twaso second half no see na yen here
once again, bonus as well another throw coming in the whip of APB and it goes to Freddy Canevano. Freddy Canevano na Kotoko Eli di Canevano Noir and it has started second half the Kotoko. It was what we need by adding more goals and as the Biani coasters and so Ebabe Sokyomo and Brennan Krabia Nevetra commentary continues win on a Ghana Premier League outstanding match day 2 Fisher and the commentary with GH Sports Live this way a nationwide coverage and everyone now the Biani coasters on the attack commentary one that one cause something to go to Mabara what that one about Filippo Fori with a cross that was head and as be Abrantana twas on us own. Omanya like Yama Pona Dako Trasher or Pona Nam Sorokra, Entire Kokika, Kumasa Santiago to Comobadia, the Biar Stars, they go right here, Watela P. White Yawaha, watching in Kabakos, watching in Gas, the commentary surges on, and now an enemy co commentator, Mr. History, no, history, Kita P. White, you know, and Yazan get to Abakos, watching in Ka, the Busomo monitor situations, remember, No, I bet to us to be Pian, so I find out. You're to wait in some form way. Now, Kumasa to go to come and the body for Lord Hillary. You take the Debbie Hillary and Abudazuki Tabano. We're waiting for the Makoto Comrantino. We're waiting for the Makoto Comrantino. Mababari Tetamso. Now, Ponabedi, a planter vessel Lord Amwa, or some sort of Bonabedi, Koto Comrantani, pass Kamakama, Amo attack Lord Amo, between the Bonama, Flipamo, Kutrubano, no Provi Bonama, the Bonama Lord Hillary, Bonazan Lord Amwa, or the Bona Command Captain, Sambandon Kani O'Neill, or the Ponico Center, like a lovely control from Peter Aqua, there's a man quite club, maybe any goes down, so much take over Malusubano, Bonabedi Peter Aquamidu, Aquabetumi Aquana, Peter Aquamidu, on the ball, there be what actually represent us. We are goes down, somebody want to go Manuelete, or the person at all, goes down winning the play, a practice across, and of course, what deliver a good one, then the Bonachim on the right hand side of attack, maybe any goes down, piling so much pressure on Kotoko, I'm up a karate, short, and I said, Bonako Pimobiti, I'm upon and I'm so a coach. Who's that? I must ask you, and this time around, I shall say early. Said your Mutan or first half, and one of mobile, piling, make it was on that tally score, and that's on Benyan there. On secure parity within that 10 minutes in a door, and on much as here. But one thing is that we have a short to Razak Sanu, Burkina Bay from Salitas. The experience as he is, on Jimmy Emma into bed, I was say more or less like a passenger. I will give you. An area was ring now, so I have a Kubia knows one level. I am Kuana, you man on a general community from one and Tikokai. Yes. It's one who pet any pa, Bianca or Hoffo, changer, a bear something a new change. But a force change and a buyer when a branch of friends Michael and Quaco pride and a ma a duku, a free Nanka duku position, a be a bear that striking rule and got a boy and sister. Omode a year said Godo, bounce on the catch just a Philip Amo free. And now I leave them about Quincy. Says Omode. A methoda, one so a more or less a DM. Sakan and Yating, as a Godo, and also ventilation. He better everybody will leave them on the other flank. She said the last Sunday or year, and Yabwa so that a branch of friends said Godo Bentina, a year Hilan Yataboni, no much me, a crowded in 50 be. So that boss no penetrating and the vital area of Santuko, more to Sadia or Moenian. Area Price Yabua Taylor out in the Kano TH Sports live commentary. Nationwide coverage. Ghana Fanai Bebia. Obia 8 young commentary. Listen quality up to speed commentary. And there is some from the Babayara Sports Stadium. Your Fenway center of attraction. Yan to watch so Santiago to Kwashama Kubebia Nico Stars. Omutume Enteka. Second half play Abo Simanai. Okika Nina Bomanese. Yapo 89 Chrome 49 minutes. For 50 minutes in now. Kotokonya. Albert Amoa. What a goal! What a placement! Look at the red baby and up one with the position. Any baby and a goalkeeper as a caliber he is for Portano keeping 29 games. And the back goes to Alberti League. They keeping 18 clean sheet. Any baby and water. Any baby about someone making sure say about me and that way. Kicking ball and they acquire the acute angle. When a well rehearsed strike, or placebo in the way or my Emmanuel Kobe. And yes, you have nothing to do about the ball. What a goal! Just leave the ball. You are to miss out. Also, who is a player? Now, the blaster collar by a 1 year. Nani patodona e campaign mano. And to sell yourself in this way, who is a piece anymore? Yes, and ever wow, so that should be uncommon. Yes, the man I know, the stats will speak for you. Exactly. And stats now, 3 league matches and 2 goals. Champions League, Cup Confederations Cup, 2 matches, 2 goals. So, who know numbers? Now, what you are paid today? What are you? It's in one and Albert fantastic goal from Albert Amoa, Mr. Goal machine. Or control ball at the edge of the box. And will place the ball into the top corner, giving goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe no chance. And to the Priamo, our Babayara Sports Stadium, you have 51 minutes. Kumasa Santiago de Basemiro, champions, Babiani Gold Stars, almost to end to the Entekano. And when it's on the Chumunatia, a temporary order for the moment. A temporary order for the moment, Nipa to one and Emodi Chumedero. messages in a Yana Mina Miaminipa Atamira Gilias. Omonika Chumedero, Ibro Alison, Ibro Cotois, Sansona Tasman, Winina, and now much to 3X Sports Line and Cape coverage, you know, and as someone who enjoy Bibia Kokama, also maybe over the tenor, Yachamina Yamase, someone who Monica Chumedero and Chakra, you very soon be play over by our sports stadium winner, an outstanding match, the 2 game Ghana Premier League 2025-26 season now, and the Mamo L20, and Pabera Sports Stadium, and Yazan Ketua, Yatrope Captain Vincent Atinga, or the Bonacoma Gideon Anaba. Now maybe I go Saskitaba for Prepe with Chabari Bonatibo on the corner and got to the right hand side of attack now, so to nobody in particular. I've got Philip Ofori. They said to Makana Prada Patrick Caseru with a long throw. Now so reverse David Atani, also Yabotre, or Patrick Caseru, Antonio Boissy, Onyabotre. Gentlemen, Medicine and for Mama Kotokwasemiero. Bebiani goes out instrument Kaya Bossimani Etionum 52 minutes and all, and it's on a Chomunatia, Bonnie through, and Makoto Comantano. Now, Omatubona, Debbie, Abrantani wasted so much time. Omatubon, the Bonacotre, Bonacodi, Sambandon, Gani, O'Neill, with trouble about 50 of them, about Primbono, a Prada Vansa, a Prada Vansa Contones, and Hedano. Now, push back to Nakoso, interested. A big ghost as one as I'm swapping Bonabedi Lord Amor, or the Bonacomanina, lovely flick, Hubeto, on the Bonepa, Hubeto, the B, Yatubona Finism, Lord. Hilaria Tabo, ya crashing at war, Revisiboni Foul, Yamofontia, Baby Coasters. That was a harsh challenge, a reckless tackle into the rugby. David Atani, a honor, and a flashing yellow card now. A Coco Sradiano, one of the HB Coco year, and Yasan Ketokra. What a game this has been so far. GH Sports live commentary. This is where nationwide Ghana baby our top radio stations now. Omina Pana Live almost 8 years. The man tester, Divorian International tester, and Yazam get to a client to a comedians now. Bonnie guitar, a brand of Joseph Ablo, which you want to be Edward Atimano Nabedimono, Nasu Ruby, SAFO Yamofatia, Kumasa Santa Goto, Patricia Tra, or any assistant line one. Only the incident of Vincent Chamaka, which you wanted to take Bonachuma, our Santa Goto Bonasoma, Flecky Bonachina, Cobia, now Bonasan Sobedi Coto Comantano, they are putting passes among themselves. Lovely touch Bonachunianco, not Chinese Monoconim, Razak Sawan and Boneba, Sanu, what touch Bonato, Samuel Atakumi, on the Subetinia Kara, where Bonacho sounds in the Duku, Obetima Tuana, Debbie, Rocos Bonobiano, and Tango Baby and Nico starts to do one backness or better about shortness or goalkeeper Aziz Haruna Tari. Also no problem. Emmanuel Eche won a cut in a Kobo Sabono. And so goalkeeper is Aruna Tario Soboni once again. Another Babiani Coasters player active from live commentary from the Babayara Sports Stadium. Your genuine center of attraction. Yabosimana, Etionum 9 years, 54 minutes of action. So Kumasa Santa Cotoca Babiani Coasters, Omutumete Cassette Cocho, Watatu Monocoche, Ometra wanted to send the Bonachimo Coasters on a swear to nobody particular body through. Now Philip Ofori, former player, Swatchaman, what about the Tetam saw, Babiani Coasters, Emmanuel Conto, on the Boneba, Coasters winning your brain as a Rufia Sports infringement, or Seporo AFO, Diamo and Futia Kumasa Santa Cotoco, Pony of Fiki, Kumasa Santa Cotoco. Babiani Coasters, the champions, and Cheye, Amokopiemo, our CAF Champions League, and Kokobona for the first time ever. Nelson Ankoye against Algerian Clubber. If I'm saying JS Kabili, first leg, our crowd, they lost by 2 goals to 0. Amokopiemo, Algeria, Ekolusu 5-0, and combined, Omolusu 7-0 on aggregate, Omachuman advance, and running to the final qualifying round. On the part of Asante Kotoko, Oko Confederations Cup, Omomodemo was thrown. I'm winning 4-3. Our view, I'm going to be more Kuta. I'm winning 1-0 and with 5-3. But to qualify, I'm going to final qualifying rounder. I'm in Moroccan club. I promise a Bhutan Athletic club. And I will BYT. Yeah, last year, last season. Okay. Okay, in Swaziland. Okay. I'm for Africa for Algeria. Emma, Constantine. Constantine. Yes, and I'm now with 2. Okay. Against Kotokopane, outstanding. Okay. 2nd October. What has your 20 years and I got a winning Samachno. It was Ongo and a Bayana, Omulu Agesus. It was so Algeria about with 2. I'm just in the Emma and Sonia Mankoy. It was a similar one. And on Mondiaba. If I see not this time, and you come and able. I have bright and what tell a P white in all. Messiah history I want to be PYT. Young George Medina from Rahim Ederson. I am your lead commentator alongside Brighton Watela together a carbon from the Babayara Sports Stadium. And a fantastic up to speed commentary now. Summer on GH Sports Live. Young George Medina now maybe any goes as Philip Okori on Tapia got Pimo Bono. And so for us as well be doing this time a bit through. And I'm a baby any goes as Philip Okori what about it so Francis Chene on the guitar one play on the forward. Beautiful control, clever ball. Maybe any goes as looking to pull one back. And so Samban Gani O'Neill, Waklebo Namapona Trasano, attacking through, taking quickly. Go just when any play, make up for Natal. Now, one I got something to do, go to the pier. That's what referee say. Referee Aspoti BB. Referee David Atani and One and Sentaman. One energy game, assistant line 1 air Patricia Tra, line 2 air Kenneth Chinewa Kodia, fourth official air Ayaba Asi Ibrahim. And a match commissioner Musa Ali Pilato way and officials are and I'm also a supervising Yama our Babayara Sports Stadium outstanding match day 2 game between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the champions baby and Eagles as live commentary from the Babayara Sports Stadium. Yabo Simane Chionum Suni 57 minutes of action still Asante Kotoko Omashebi baby and Eagles Omuchimenteka now Ghost as Manchester United Bonepa Watachi Bonato Muatake Omania Brevika Fanata looking to pull a Magnaso Yamama Kaibra Yabone Comratero, that's what to me a Fabana Kona, one everyone ever coasters, Omania break can make their way through Nesso. Bonaco trusted through Philip Ofori. What Bonaco, Bonama Gideon Anaba, and Abade Bonama captain, Vincent Atinga into the center circle. Atinga Chaboni to the Bonavia Boximo, a Brantana Flickibona to all. That's what the Wama goalkeeper for the Aziz Arunatari, what Piabet BYT. Aziz Arunatari ever against Heart of Lions. And Obano, and Kamia goes on your good game at County, and I'm in the coach in this side is so maintained. Only said, Coach Karim Sito decided of so many game time to rest Mohamed Kamara. And that's what we say Haruna Tari, it deserves so many first choice 18 on the neighbor. Yeah, Haruna Tari, you'll be because 1 year own deserve a first team position as a goalkeeper. Naminim baby and Pano FIFA. It's answer at the Pechemuno on an air more, and more or less an inch. Yes, sir, we yield players now on park and a swanipa. Trana got touch no man depa. Ayon at a point. Not born corner to move with him. Yes. It was Babian Ghostas and the caribou for 2 months. And son of Precum Jesse said, so Kaya, let you goalkeeper Bia. Now, what did the team for several seasons? Yes, let's say several seasons. In about 5 seasons here, I will be no one now we're competing. A lot of goalkeepers. Omukwa, Luo, Epa, One Afazu, Daniel Afazu, as we compete. Yes, only teacher Nia, Obete, best goalkeeper of Ghana, our 2 coin, ever compete. Enti, one Casano, Ayobia, what you joy, Enti, one Kamara, no, who say yes, 2 first team keepers, and Omabesi, definitely, Bakubeta Gabako, when a goalkeeper coach, and Diade. Karim Tito, and respect Kamara say, one of the 2 movies last season. Emma Freddy Casare, and deputize now, Muche, and die, but so we are on to be put to Pracope and Bencho, or the new Rama and subsequent games, no other until say league game way or not Derby after Africano, Abrante Kamara, damn you know, also we're senior numbers, ABA, Rebecca Africa. We better league, we better FA Cup. That's also Sana Karim Zito Pessoye. Bia said the Cup Sana said, because there's on consider too much. Yes. And we are bright about telling out in Emmanuel Chedabi, Yamaka Lord, and you want to finance it, but I got trust in all. Attacking through Edema Baby and the Coasters. They are down by 2 goals to nothing. I'm out to Tethamson and Sora Visit. What's another substitution? Kumasa Santagoto as well as substitution. A branch of us. Adam Inusa never. Adam Inusa, yes. Formerly of Portugal, yes. Edema Sporting Club, Covilha. And they were Papa Inusa Adams. I don't know. Wabesemian to us where Bono Vivi Francis Kene, when the guitar was spread on the left hand side, good control from Emmanuel J. Obetimia Kona, a personal junior Kona, Bonavedi Koto Comantero, 181 Epa, a friend of us, you bet you, Ratatu Bonato, Inusa Bonasem, back to Joe, Kotokoponia Pre, on the Bonaventure Lord Hilaria Tabo, on the Bonatu Paso Lord Amwa, on the Bonacho, back to Lord Amwa, Kotoko putting passes among themselves in their own half, what play on the forward, now Bonavedi Winusa, Wachiba Covinio, or Providibona Man, what they want to go through, and they want to Joseph Ablo, Kotocomese, Omasha 2, and I'm pass, said Kojo de Bona go through, and I command the goalkeeper, Aziz Haruna Tari, Kotoka completed 6 passes here, yet dispossession of Haruna Tari was also touching, and the Bonama Ablo, Kotoko build up now a smooth thing, Kafanatao, Omachaba, the Bonarumo, Nakocha Lord, Amwani Santiankara, I'm Edwin Atman Waklebono, I'm a Ponaka trust and attacking through for the Porcupine Warriors who are still leading by 2 goals to 0. Omatubari Tatamso, I granted the Kulturu to me, another through for Kotoko. In if Rapamika Fanatao, Lord Amo want to body Tatam to the Bonatuba, now Abeta one at Bonico, or the Bonapi, Hubetu, Obetina Kara, Watatu so assistant line 1, Patricia Tra, Mexini Modemo was sort of Papa, Upiti Lining, a Kirby Obeto, who are flagging up for an outside against Kumasa Santa Gotoko. Yapo Simana, Edo Siamio, 62 minutes of action. Still at Santiago Gashemiero, baby Nico South and take a winner. A GH Sports Live. It's a Ghana, baby. Yaquan had a fantastic up to speed commentary, fantastic and quality game coverage. And then Sumu baby will be a friend of the Ray Medicine alongside Pride Yabua Taylor. Yantuach Medicine to Comrade the Kitabara, Wanakodi first on Lord Amwa, formerly of Bena, formerly of Brekum Chelsea, the Bonachinanko, Vincent Atinga, where you want to play to the Bonachinanko. Now, so the porno to nobody in particular. I'm a porno and defending through to be affected against Baby and Stars. Champions and then Koye. Almost starting giving you a bar. And so I'm a key player in our brand of St. Michael and Kwa. BYT Kaya. So play away on my missing up. About affect your man, of course. Which was affect me in the second half. I'm at one Tatamswe. One of the Walid Nema or the one who center second. I'll send through Campista Sato was spread upon the one at the left hand side of attack. There's a ghost as one. I'm on a Babette Bono. Now ghost as on the attack. One of the Francis Cheney Proby the Bonamano. Corkan Kennedy. What to one of the one at all. And the left hand side of attack. There's a Koto Command on my defender of alliance. They come a lot. Amwa. What touch one at Abrant Evans, Emmanuel Kunto. When it's Kita one of the Bonama Cheney. Cheney's one touch one at Atman. Maybe the ghost as I'm pass. Atman at town of Bakubiro. Over to Nakana de Biamana. Quiet in at all. Repeat to be that Tani. Was the 20 of our PYT. Yeah, Edward Ajaman self previous FC Bano. Now, Obio Biani goes as on which you do a left back. Someone a champo. Boba and Wabe Benchi, someone a champo is a Samuel Ebama Obama says so. And no one does have branch Edward Ajaman and so. Oh, Sha, was that Muke? And one GDS on one Casano, where a ringer and I'm converting it to a defender. Okay. Because Jero City Polo City Quananim, Eke Euramuno, or a different Kakamani. And I am a young one was to someone a champion, and so they're free. But still, as Sandra got the experience, and it be a home advantage and ability. Maybe I also go for the Pasha, Ninano, a Queen Vasobano, excellent. A individual brilliance, and I did go to my first goal. From Walid Nema, and the Bama Bidwaka, second goal from a branch of Betamua, that you do upon unexpectedly, and the one at Watram. It means an individual brilliant and a protocol. Every studio capitalize on data. I'm more actually leading by 2 goals. But on the field of play, poor Nankasadia, a team that the Biani Gold Stars, I'm a protocol, a good run. Yes, for their money. I'm on your bad at all. Area Price, Taylor, and Joseph Ablo, or the Bona to the first to Lord Amwa, so you want to come out. Now, Kumasa Sandago, Saibu Inusa, or Sanso Bona, the Bonama Lord, the Bonama Ablo, Abla, Kutrubano, the Bonamano, with Chabon, or Chabeta, one as to be, Vincent Tatinga, Ibona Piachine, what was Emmanuel Conto, good control on his chest on the Bonamania. Now, Edward Atiman, over to me, a beautiful combination. Maybe Nico starts when in Yabre, or more attacking from the left flank, and so there be, Obia Kotiasi, Refi, David Atani. Repeat David Atani, Asanabe, Wajibi, Baby, and Nico Sasamata, repeat a coach of a Karim Sito. Then you pray Papa on the refinite engaging on the decision. Mouse represent David Atani, Abencha on an education cover. Oman also coach Nabotere, Minami Dikimino, Minami Sia Affairs, Minamitches Empu, Minametche, baby, are given and continue Abatere Mame, and any command represent David Atani. On the Santo technical team, no more have Yabosimana, Edwosian, 66 minutes of action. Kumasi Asante got to Basemiano. Baby and Coasters, Instrumental car. Messi Way outstanding Ghana Premier League match. The two fixture. And then the commentary Nebremo. Bonikita Vincent Tatinga was spread the ball on the right hand side. Ocha Philip Oforo Betumafana. Yes, he does want to keep that one in play. On the Bonama Gideon Anaba. Anaba the Bona Chomo El Kotokopana Soye. On Tap Brent Samuel Takumi. Obetuna Pabana. Pona ya Pre. Nasia Manakwai. Yes, over Mama the Bona P. Give them some Kafana down the Sophie. What's it saying? Refia Sporting infringement. What you be media Kumasa Santa got to go off for more Bodiatia. Bodiatia baby and Coasters. Refia Foul. Mouse go give up and say, Assess Haruna Tari. For one of Pitcham United, which is a PYT and Canasem. One of Aqua coaching about so edge in his place to move upfield. But some economy pitch up on him. Sana Oka Refia Witzel. Aziz Haruna Tari. Bakum Yerumiasa. With Chabono Chibona Chomo, and baby and goes up on my soya, and to equip the Panama Fleck of Yedio, when I could flip over on the right hand side, while play on the forward, or Chapratia, the friends are Saxano, the way at Takumimo, at Tabetuna Corner, Tono Ayapre, Utunata, and Apranavasa Patrick Asiru. That's what I said, we need challenger, the Bona Jimmy Alpha, baby and goes to us, or Masanswari getting possession, or Malusuboro, now Kumasa Santa Gotoko, that's a clever ball trying to pick up Albert Amoa, what could throw on Albert Amoa, kind of hold up, play was wrong. Clever striker, you're clipping it from behind. Referee David Atani, you're interested. Emmanuel Kobi goes to Padima Bibiani Costa. That's a long throw and a good one. Now Emmanuel Eche, Wako Trubanatua, Obetuna Bana Dabi, Abeta Waka from Enti Rebisimunya Butre. Rebisimun Tumabuase, Munya Butre, Essence Abetamua. Oh, you great work, you didn't to Refinante Fawa Mano. A Branton Akapomete temporary up. Winner, a GH Sports Live commentary now. Yes, white commentary. All the 10 regions as far as football are concerned. Out if you are 16 regions. Yes, but football here 10. Yeah, and divide being free himself. Some being count mathematics and subtracting. Now the channel is GS Sports Live, and one will be a T. It's far now so. Quality yes, quality machines and our voices also commentary generic voices and one river county. Yes, we added them, but I bet I think say I need the Navy also elaboration. Yes, echo so but baby are born so yeah, no sense because in the branch and no born so I say but revenue say sometimes common sense yes decisions but all the same still under like game boy and they said yeah tempo ama Ghana football yes and they said so no very conducive for association football okay. So those two different tale. One papa. Auntie. Come out. Bibia so ya kamanti. So Yari can come and nice. And just get to Bibia Kokama. Yes. Operations or my class are operations. GS Sports Live. Asanteman, Ghana man. Bibia so Biajatu. Tune in for Switchy. Yes. Me were you as a four. Sunday, your point, no more friend. So nice. Let's see. I'm there, commenting. You don't win answer. GS Sports Live. Papa. Quality. Let's see. White. Searching PR. What you say? General BPS was says. Also, head of sports. What Ghana? Yes. General BPS. So much too. Yes. And we are bright. You are Taylor. Let's say about the history. About the history, we can catch them saying your football history. Wow, right? You go tell us cut your cross, and on there we call commentator. You and George made it so. Yaris will be playing over by Raspo Stadium. What is Sunday Casabebra? Now, because a temporary that given us to pick a crack. Yaris will be into us way. Now, but I made something to do. Come to Nagana. Maybe I go to some cross the ball. That's Joseph Ablo. Why you going to pitch on my Kotoko? Now Kotoko El Centro Capista. Second on that one. That's a clever ball from Seth Kotoko on the attack. That's a great defensive work from Filippo Fori. On the Bonaco Chamani goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe. With Chamani to the Bonachomo. And on the right hand side of attack, good control. Abranted to the corner. Give Naya Prapramika Fanaka. That's why spending so much time. Yamiana Jena Kotoko. Patrick Asiru. On the Monaco. Hubert Jawan, everybody call. Game no ice, make up another Jawbet Machina. While making way through, while crossing going into the box. Yamana Quine, Bonas and Sobetin will prove the Bonamano. While Peter Bono, taking wicked deflection. Oh, that was close. That was close. Bonnie taking wicked deflection and Kaya Piti go give us a Emmanuel Kobe. Now, so unlucky Bon Antoinette in the Bona Trasano. A corner to be affected against the champions, maybe Nico Stars, who are so down by 2 goals to nothing.
Yeah, Mausa Patapade Morfin Tonzo,
Morfin
Tonzo,
or you in agreement.
Obey Lord Hilali Agabo. Okay. Yes, says no. Said for 6. Yes. Now, a year he bet you. Now, I feel so a branch of friends and Morfin Tonzo. Up on Tentano, and now so better 9. Now, better more operating from the France. Now, Peter is what at the other side. So already. Among a year while name and so, and as well, piano, a hand, a move, this is here. I say, we have morphine tonzo. And if you are out in a kind of Tentino, I don't know, morphine tonzo, I have some good control from Tonzo, and shot! What a drive! That wasn't a proud effort at all from Sekojo. That was a good drive where they were Hubert Jaumo. Now, so branch and the ball, I can find out what you want to touch them. So, good control from Emmanuel. Maybe any coast. It's Abetamon Tiama and T. Okay, Abetamon Hilali Dasu. It's 18. No. For the chair, yes, and 1 official. 18. It's Hilali Dasubo. Okay, it's Abrancha Abetamon and Tiama. It's in this case, Morfin Tonzo. About 9 arrowhead. Yes. And your price of what tell me clarification, Bibia. Yereba to us on the Amana Wanya Bibia, Mr. Uopiana, check your Bibi Crana. Just listen to the commentary. Ubena Clepe channel. Now a freaking command taking it shortly. A decent cross into the box. That's a quarter command and a pimona Pierre. Oh, Francis Jenner to me a photo. One of the quarter command channel. Over to the Ghana, Udibona, which is Patrick Cassiano. Where you want to go to the lovely another one, Francis Jenner. Or Sepak to send another one, Messi came now solo. We flip the way up and good to flip for you. Over to Macana for baby and Nico Stars. Yet not to a rookie to be that tiny. What's the same? What's another? What's a freaking Kariama? Baby and Nico Stars. Nico Stars and your freaking Yabasimana. It's your Somian Sanye. 73 minutes into the second half. So Kumasia Sante Kotoko. Omasemienu. Baby and Nico Stars. Instrument take a body of freaking. Body of freaking Karima. Baby and Nico Stars. Body of freaking Karima. Baby and Nico Stars. Yeah, Paul Edietia. Kumasia Sante Kotoko live commentary from the Babayara Sports Stadium. Your venue and sense of attraction. Body of freaking commentary on Asimo, Nasunabi, on my pinball and Pierre, Bona Medico to comment and you bet you walk clear the lines now. Now, one I could be a man of Quackra. Maybe I go as Philip Ofori was spread about the pack to the goalkeeper, Emmanuel Kobe, Kobe Chabot to the Bonaba Center Circle. Good control from Emmanuel Conto over to Miakona, Wakista Tene, or the Bonaba Francis Chene. That's a lovely 10 on the Bonatua. Now, maybe I go so many play, what play on the forward, a brother Vancer, a Rasako, Junior Bonaco, Yamiana Chena, Kotokomat and a lot, he'll add way a brother Vancer Lodamwa. Waklen lines now, Bonavidia Pranjavansa, body Bonama set Koju, Wakutuatana was set Boneba, set Koju, Provided Bonabue, who makes a woman, Jody Bonapa Center Circle, set Koju, when they get Tabano, set Bonachi on the left hand side of attack. Now Kumasa Sandikotoko, Omuataki Moniapre, make up for Nata, can he get a penetration? There be a Manakai, Kibrumaite. Asante got to go for no when you pray pop and as a ketua. Got to go still piling so much pressure. On the border of Morfintozo, what touch I know Bonamachina corner. Now should there be Ubecha Umobore Bonachumo, a branch across the ball into the box. Now should there be one Messi Bono totally, goalkeeper Emmanuel Kobe, or Pierre Messi Bono totally be white. Outside, outside, yeah.
And as a ketua, what a game this has been. Can't watch whether there's no double substitution for maybe any Stars. Am I a double substitution? And you have confirmed plus in the team. I'm going to be so I am fine. Am I a some year old from Nations FC from Sergio Stars to Nations FC? And I know you have a people. Yes, and our branch, your friends, Isaac, I get here. Okay, Isaac, I said, I want to see one of guys. I'm a speedster, okay, or a ring of your house. It's also mission here. I get 30. And I advise me say PYT play PNU or Ghana Premier League anymore. PYT any info over whatever how much you want to change. Bona be the center circle. Chenia control by the way contorada. Over the bona baby and goes down. Okay.
Ha na.
I'm the need to do one crack and grab by.
That's what
yes, we can last season. No, maybe any. Okay. Or you players if you out the ball. That's okay league winning team. Yes. Okay. Yeah, to watch my so baby and because that's what I affected. Deep one into the box. Got to go on a pin on a piano and say I want anyone ever. A Prantana control techno come. Now Saibu Nusa on anyone go back to Machina. Saibu tells us to keep that one in play. That's what I be. Inusa Adams Rada or the Bonama Morifin Dozu. Those are touching on Hubert Joe. Now Tuna the Bonico. Joe touching on the Bonama Inusa Betina Corner. US Saibu and the Bonico. Saibu is heading up to a rubbish body of foul. Yeah, Inusa Adam. Unza. And yet, first I knew no. Oko Santasini a year. Okay. Yeah, for the Maka Junior. Okay. Sana in the end. Okosi Academy Wafa 2017 almost have for 2 names. Yes. I was so gakope. Okay. Obo 2, Obo 3. Now Jordi Emmanuel Jemfino. Not Jemfino about rings or the guy. Am I a castle do a J just 2? Yeah. Why in a quarter of Pampines, Aboy? Yeah. Maka Junior. Yeah, you know, behind the quarter. Okay. Chromie after yes. Maka Junior. And also, to crack or Portugal, Bayano, of a ball for United last season. Kaka, and what the Belgramu, protocol, Africano. Say, I'm converted from that defensive role to attacking role. Body of free kick, Lord, I'm on it in a body. And Makumasa Santa Kotoko, Lord, I'm up behind the ball, or some momentum economy, Peter, and Lord Eka, but I've got just so many on go of the night. Now the PI come on my city window. And when said it's a body of Kiki Karimakuma says something got to go down the right flanks. A plant of a Lord, I'm on the Tinobody Chico, Kubia Rubiasa, which you want to see. On my pin now, Sidabi, goalkeeper by Emmanuel Kobe, or see no problem whatsoever. Yabosimana, if you're so watching you, 78 minutes of action. So Kumasa Sante Kotoko, Omashemiero, Bibiani Costa Sutumenteka, Rasaxano Juniafa, Bonaveri Fifi, good control from Francis Chene, Noma Pladima, Ebechim, Yadinato Rafi, what's about your foul, Yamo Infantia, Ayakumasa Sante Kotoko. And then Chene make up for that, the money must show you 51 papa, and Yasan Ketwa, now Pony a foul. Vincent Atinga Capito, Wakofabona go edge in the place and someone gonna member Bonembra, Sana Tinga Eka, Bonnie a foul, and my baby and Costa, some over the Tia, Kumasa Sandagoto, where outstanding match the 2 game of the 2025-2026 Ghana Premier League, GH Sports Live commentary, nationwide coverage, and the Apremo, goalkeeper Aziz Haruna Tari, Wapiabe Sobodumo, and Sorama Koto Comrantino, looking very calm cry, is as a Bibian Nabone. Omashemienu Papabi, Omolidi by 2 goals to 0, and Titaria Toleboasi, with Chabone Tete, and Soribona Chamori Fin Tonsu, what to Miafa, a Panabasa Gideon Anaba, what people channel, now something Tuku, when they get Tabana, Obetina Kona, what make it way through Nazarebi, on a Patrick Cassiru, Bonaya Prapre, Obetina Kona, Perimapa, Yamana Quantrabi, a branch bit Manchester, then Yapre, I have Prapre, what cross the ball into the ball, Kokipanamis want to totally as will be able to do the connection, what baby and Kota Samakotoko, eventually on my clever lines now. Bonazan Swabedi Manuel Ikonto, Wapia Wanamachine, Chilibetunia Kwana, what a bonus so beautiful combination. Messi, Bibiani Costa, when you're moving up, there's a photo of Ranchanabetis, Costa Sarikari possession, Omachabona to the right hand side of attack, make up another, and then Sedomania Prenos, and still a mother from Calimiro, Omutumente, my cross. Oh, connection of a Baba, okay, or the bite to be about that edge or that end one. And me catch was a player no shot to a pa. A player and the dia there, Razak Sanu, okay, from Salitas, Burkina Faso. Yes. Now the money from Kaka. And on Filmuno, Ama a branch and the dia there, someone attack me, okay, from Tepa, Chechere Heaven Stars to Ayafa Rangers to Karana United to Aya and then the Bibiani Gold Stars. Okay. What the Bibi for 5 penny more for Frama, but remember, formerly of Sajuas Nations FC. Operating here the money. Okay. And it's a careful, but man are consolation. And some every 190th minute. Okay. And they should be very careful. I get to know somebody. Some catch out. On your oil or a photograph. Okay. I'm not to but represent to us. And yes, it's a Duku. Any a year, a branch of friends at Dokumi, and a check striking road, 9-10. Yet was a Sunday recorded chance as would be a branch of Ababona to watching it. A person trying to lose out and Wababona to watching it. And who's that? Yes. Oh, Mama, a branch here, your friend is you man not come talk. Okay. Why a suspect? One a year, fashion. Okay. Almost said a normal one. And yes, Anna says so mobile. Young enemy man of control was good. Okay. Wabo nation said some man for young apostles slow. One in them kakra, what I say, on him terrain. Okay. And last season, I was a nation's man or young apostles. Or by Anna Contobas and Paul, Babiani Costas. Paul or Jamo won't give from them, especially in the first half and the early stage of the second half. And yes, Sana, second half, you are there, mine. As a wapa from Kawapre. Etiano air poako to koye pa diabakwa apoako to kohwana omo edit two eye sharpers bringers apa omo be ha kotokono eye hwan so a omo make sure that mienu no enso abre eno na apoako to anu ya bright ebo tell am say na history nko o saso monitor game no the tactical aspect no ne koso o pitch na kasa so no eno sorry count the mamo na bibia kama unyane baby at the GH Sports Live and game coverage no be say quality up to speed commentary and the Ebramo yabo simana ide watching me 82 minutes of action akasimano watching and the referee beto so the game ni pare Emmanuel Kobi we come on the na kocha sound in the tuko this is my kind of mapa on na on na beje bono very mapa with a shot na so dey over the goals the shot no boy the pona ko fasro e ko ki kaya body tia baby ani goals stars still at Santa Godo Kwasemiero baby ani goals stars instrument Peter Akwamitu on Albert Amomo and anya 2 goals na diama Kumasa Santa Godo ko boni e gochi Aziz Haruna Tari GH Sports Live commentary nationwide me say we top radio stations e what Ghana fanagina the whole Ghana OPF for commentary live FM after Rai Medicine alongside Bright Botela by the gochi Aziz Haruna Tari formerly of Bechem United on the Tinabonechi was a member come back to Yerumiasa we come on it and one at baby and Costa Somasoye et le comme c'est Panama Pem Bonabedi Center Circle Kenya Tumianko Kotokomantana Ibona Pie you bet you Obetimia Kona want to be a American Sepona Aqua Trasino a true yet to the Kotokomatu body so Yerubia to review on your interest that David Atani or Supremas continue more Pintos want to be now Bonabedi Kotokomanta said Koto or the one of my Ilaria Tabuba Ilaru Betima Kona Ropiama set to sort of one of the Bonasi Pifi Kotoko the summer pass so this time of the Bonate very mapa or the Sotumiafa Bona Ayapra Pretinto Affair and Konapa now Kotoko on the ball said Kokena de Monepa that's a clever ball or the Bonama Ibeto or the Surane so what a drive Peter Midwapa where Peter says we have a Nimwa Omoa or one of the oldest players as a CEO of Kotoko on Henry and Sunam said players are party soon now but 2 almost a year Peter was your name as a player at the Makotoko Makat was a current player of Kotoko but 10 season 4 no says you know almost Henry and Su and a member park in Subia Peter and the expense current team who Jimmy and that's when you say about Boracho sign a child oh Boba clearly who's a maturity temporary yes this is almost the analysis from yes it's maturity at the key place and why I a big game player okay okay class sports stadium when no coach no crowd can say that no just on a winning game no crowd okay yes why under 20 player it's almost Chicago yeah I'm the Apia Makati but Apia Makati so why Abranche friend say you man Francis yes and Apia Makati Kumasi boy okay as far we call Prempe College. Okay. Or Basuko di Portivo Chea, on this go for to go Nana boat team Bacosa. Okay. I know the Quasco. Player at one about your division 1. Okay. 2 a choir, AF Saboy, Apia Makati. Okay. And as far back 2013, no member of Ghana that 20 and a 70 MRI free. Okay. Come on, SHS1 2 students. Okay. On the Prempe College, at Milo 2013. Yeah. What I said, now when almost back 10 years after 2003-4. That campaign in Europe. and on him joy. Appear my cat, your bus and pieces of a habit. And looking on the Nabanti. Now, what to all about or you fully fit. Everybody said a coach is starting from the bench. That means I'm matches of Mubo Nano. I will be soon as a substitute. Okay. Or Muba, no, I don't know the reason here. Masana, one freaky back over. Yes, I was watching one and two. But there's no more to mobile. Milobi. Also, I'm mass in the ball. Mass 3-1 after go down. But semi-final game, yes, I'm with 3-0 first half on the chef fight. Okay. Second half on the boy back there from the Pacao. Striker, goes up. Think you keep your Bobia. I'm a man, so to be a Obio by the other kind. 12 years ago as American. Up here, McCarthy. Of course, Switzerland, Equia Charles. Yes. Yes. I know I have pride about Taylor out in Canada. Play piano of pride about Taylor. Any info, pride about Taylor for long. PYT for short. Your soccer historian and all. We say history Piabe Yabiano. Comment to the corner. They from Kama Ejamama. A sound temporary. Now be white, Mamma Sambra. Sunday game that delay. We are reflecting with Daniel. Sign and order to so. Well, I'm meant to be the best first up on the train. Yes. When you have done a time lost. Okay. The actually no go Pramano Sono and Kakabu. Enti per one discussion. Okay. And hope you bet you have a baby. I'm the bear 5. Aha, because at the answer, as you could see. So, yeah. And we are bright about here out in Canastona, temporary up by Rospo Stadium. Now, Porcupine Tasharinua, now I am to watch so much about Julianco, now Bonavida Premise of Face and Katinga, on the Solibana flip before we come on anyone at able to nobody in particular about say there's an trouble goalkeeper, Yves Aziz Harunatari, GH Sports Live, Adamiral, also GH Sports Live production of us, was the machines in the clear. Yet, as I said, Nana choose what you see, who touch you, but the Sikana for 9 Clemens from 1FM, also say, with yes. Clement, Douglas, White Clef, obviously with the order. I'm a put Sports Life, Abaso. Men of pressing managers, my body in Jerry. I'm a put you, yet what you made in the Swantaka. Omrana, Yabosimano, and you're watching us 88 minutes. Akasimani Miero, and in the referee battle, so the Kevin Panavia still got to pass Miero, goes out into Manteca, or much about it, Edward Atman, Waklan lines some upon a contrast now, attacking through, yet to the baby, and he goes down, got to players now. I'm looking very calm, Lord Amwa, formerly of BenabFC, formerly of Ayaprekum Chelsea, what about quickly? There's a attacking at the back of the Lord, or Sansa Bonaso, Cotogon, the attack you better, across the Bonabona Junianco, Bonas and Seko John to me, or my Bona Petona Waneko, Joseph Ablo, that's a pro clearance of it, McLean Messana, one at one echo, Achete, Odibirka, Isaac Achete, yes, Atakumi, Yamana Quackra, Samuel Atakumi, Apratene Yapre, of course, it's so much trouble, and if I got to go defense now, looking for penetration on the bottom of Achete, Acheta Kutubono, while holding play up with the bottom of Pionamano, there's a portable defense, and I'm on a fire Rubiato, Rupi Tevidatani, or Sepon AFO, Yamofente Kumasa Santigoto. Rabisabani of Paul Yamofente Kumasa Santagotoko, a branch of Isaac Achete, one in a winning Fiki Karama, baby, and he goes down to set up PYT, and can assemble and Yasan Ketua, Mr. Player Piano PYT, give it up. PYT history and your fluke, and a Nini also can offhead. King Kitaruaha, you didn't be up with the PYT. Yes, I'll go punch in a PYT, make up another opponent, Fiki Karama, baby, and he goes down. Almost just somebody will pull one back. It's answer they are still down. They are still trailing by 2 goals to nothing. We are standing match day 2 game of the 2025-26 Ghana Premier League. Your friend Abdurrahim Etasen, Benami only commentator Nanaji, our GH Sports Live quality up to speed commentary. And here is Sumo Baby will be a nationwide Ghana Fana Baby. Here the Ebremo, Naponi Fiki Kariba Baby and the Coasters. They are looking to pull one back. Après, Amania Revisai, Pasiamo Simum. 5 minutes additional time. Obachabona Simon Nasunevi. Bonacoso Trobonas eventually. Kotoko Mantano, Omachimi Aklemesno. Rafisi Yamosimanum, 4th official. Your friend is Ayaba Asi Ibrahim. Were indicating 5 minutes additional time. Your Posimanum Area Council. Kumasa Santiago Bashabia Baby and the Coasters. Omutumenteka, Bokiba Aziz Harunatari. Watchabona to war. Come. Nami pitch up on him. Sanatari Eka. What the boss of Relaxe. Rupi Tennis up on an Entoso. Aziz Harunatari. Paco Nerumiasa, which I wanted to tell Bona Chuba, I will be Panay, Abranta Fleki Monocoto, the Flekin Junianto, now Coto Condia Taco Video, Vincent Atinga, walk line lines of Bono Public Land, Lona Medichau, what to me upon us or fight back, walk off on a day, now, Opia, Opia Secoto, what that's Bona Junianto, now Baby goes down, Samuel Takumi, on Edibonico, Samuel Takumi, Bona Machete, Atete Betuniacona, Atete Bonepa, Atete Globo, up across I, Atete Nabi, Yamana Kwakwa Ibono. Bona Trasino. Bona Trasino Kona. Baby Costa Sabadi Kumasa Santa Gotoko. Baby Costa Santa Kona, Mobadi Kumasa Santa Gotoko. Mr. Salamada from Canadian Mutumente Kamocha, Charlie Sobe Puliwamba, Jachabana 6 Apprentice Telefino, Acofante, Refiserabi, a goalkeeper Monfantia, a baby Costa Samantano. Simanumna Rafi Edeto Yabo Bubako, Eko Simami Runie, Nesaka Simane Bami and Sani, the Kevin Ponevia at the Babara Sports Stadium, your genuine center of attraction, where outstanding match the 2 game of the 2025-26 Ghana Premier League. 2 teams way. This year, when I representing Ghana, our club competition cinema. Maybe I need Stars champions, Ecobo Cup Champions League, Omo Frima, the Master Santi Kotokodia, Amada so Confederations Cup, we give away now some match the 2. And then they took a name of African assignments in Intino. You have to be postponing game now and then. And I told Jamil Weka says still, Kotokwasemiru, Costa Sentimenteka, Peter Aquamitu, or the one I come up Patrick Asiru, now Kotokopone Passe, Sekogata Chibano, and the one of Peter Aqua, Kotokopona looking very calm, or Masemiro, or the one of Ubetau, or Pebonabo, Ubetau, a brother still on the ball, what Tatsibona talk about Lord Amor, Lord I make it way through, Obetma Crossana, Edward Ataman, or some more Quackra, or Sansu Bona Pietau, Yanato Revisimo. African, but Yamoya, Pepianico, Saspobacuno. Okay. The last 60 home matches. Only Sakato Lusu, okay. Sakato Lusu, a home gamer. Naya Boise and Nations Exhibition. Naya Boise, Heart of France Exhibition. Naya Blanca, Great Olympics Exhibition. But in Kumasi, the last 16 league matches. Yes, only one drawn game became last year. Okay. And also, I prosper. What I said the last time a team was here, Kotoko, and Master Conedus Swatraman. Okay. Pitchy Kotoko 2-1 in Waseku. Okay. What I said February 2024. Okay. And it go 2 years. But I yet to lose again in Waseku. And October, Piedwa, Yesima, Waseku, Kotoko, I lose you a league. Okay. Since the last 20 years, what I said, what the fact from there 2000 and October, we a year has of hope, our mobile and the Pakati Fabian, ever said for the Koa, and 10 is in Kumasi, for the Kobatabo October matches, or better, October, no, a favor, a few clubs, and the Mamba House of Hope, actually, someone Pakati Fabian, and a house of the that home and away in 2010. Okay. What I say, and I'm moving to pay 30th of October. Date no worry. Okay. And I'm moving right, Yabu Atela. Mr. History, I know sir. You are 2 times not be writing the history of Sunamu. But so a quality game coverage, quality out to speak commentary. Unyani baby at the GH Sports Live on top radio stations. Our Ghana, all reaches now. We now find a live almost broadcasting to Medina. And our listeners and your friend up to Raymond said alongside Price Yabuatela and subscribe to us another temporary order. Yet if Lema go contact Mr. Porcupine Tessiarino. I'm a Plema Sushi on a Tetamoyano. Man, need a trouble. Come. Yamako Yamika Fanatao. Scoreline here 2-0 here. Now 2 teams now. Amasele good football make up Fanatao. Simanum not a bit of Tosono. Yabonina never been himself. Yaya was seen as a Sierra Yaboshim. Yantoswe. Vincent Atinga, captain of the side, and Nana Jopia. We come on at the Bonachimo. On the right hand side of attack. Or flip for it. That's what to keep that one in play. Or Metina corner the B. Patrick Asiru. Waklan lines now. Danger to Luminas of the B. Baby Kota so much to be Kotokofana. You want to play now. Or Metina Bonavana. Jim Ayatinto affair. Konaba. One of the Vincent Atinga. Oh, the touching of Junior Koye, now one of the control, what touch one to make good one. Now one anybody corner, so finally, Rafitani Latani, Wapona made it to Medina, Rafi Kanelakani wa whistle or see for Kevnina and run away at the Baba Yara Sports Stadium after 90 minutes after full time. Kumasia Santikotoko or match 2 Babiani Coasters Anthony Ante Peter Kwamitu Abranta Bessa Albert Amwa Amo Enanya Coast Edabra Kumasia Santikotoko PY. So far in total competitive matches Bia Coasters Kotoko and Nakahwa 13 no kota kwa so mu 8 and a goes as asem you nupe and am Yanzaya draw into the 8th win for Koroko from 2001 Star FA Cup.
All right, and see at the end of 90th minute Asante Kotoko 2 Sanso Anabobokua Jefen say Bebeni Gold Stars amongst me Antican Enche you know how ahumane so na fe yani boss player se obet a champion. And so etimi agwo didi nkomo ere free Baba Yara Sports Stadium na Yara Stadium nkomo ere enso esiti ehonoma and so enye asem kitwa kwanti eguso a ere se yensa betima ka se obed na yeni se obed enso etimi edi nkomo ere free Baba Yara Sports Stadium and so enye asem kitwa so ba ere don't forget so be subscribe na fe onso wetima share. Don't forget so about subscribing and also what you must say. Finally, a Sunday match, Asante Kotoko 2, Peter Amidu Aqua. Yes, Peter Amidu Aqua near Brantia. Yefen say Albert Amua. And it's me a boss out 2 goals, and so Adama Sante Koti. We enjoy highlighting me. We enjoy highlighting me. Na Yara said in Komono. And so is going to wait. Asante Kotoko first goal. Timuno Eshayano. Yes, Peter Amidu Aqua head down. No shit. Yes, no shit. You don't remember if you so bad. And so Etim Aqua Trosso. And so Etim Free Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Na you have said in Komono. And so the Enso Ebefio Esiaba. Na Eridin Komona. Mami Kinka message was say Prince also appear. I say good Kotoko is not conceding 4 straight clean sheet. Yes, Kwara Chelsea Lions Gold Stars really I and some Prince also appear. And also etimi area tuja yero komono edi emam juma deniswa and also enye asem ketwa. Sasso and Mr. Bright, I say thank God for the great win. Yes, and also I am Sama Mr. Bright, and so etimi Tuma yadi and all common adiere at the Emamuti Asante Kotoko first goal. I also enjoy no. And that was screen in yes, Tiwe and the choir first goal, and so a fast open a young community. Yes, this is incident. I will be to put a drag bass. Peter a drag ebano to skate away. No, just a dumb panay. Assistant coach, kai. When someone person can go to Sumami. Yes, when Kotoko second go, tell us that that's no. Where any Asante Kotoko second gua team no air and so etiminya walid name a panai ti ye clear and uncle Peter Amidu Aqua a place here and so edema yes ye ra ahomane so no fe ye ni se obet and so entimi enkodin komono and so enfenfi hono and so entimi emra na ye ni se obet encoding common sere and fenfro and so intim emra. Yes, Yegusua I say yes abeka se obet a champion. See you at the master over network. Ono ewa homane so. Na ye no and so etimi abon komo. Na yetima tro so erefio. On say makacho say okopia Baba Sports Stadium. Eti oba na onso wetima gina so. Na onso weti analysis ni bi. A free Baba Yara Sports Stadium enso eba enya asem keto na nye great game no yes one mo bisa sa yin match no chaman enye photo yes and so we know right ni ti no say utimi be careful nyesa wo waso be hye aja say say utimi careful nyesa waso be hye brutal anu ti na ekoba asa no but emu nchemu na nkasa de enye jese gfa for nkasa na samu yedai onu so etimi ereba be somye na yese hon komo no enso ebesi akọ ewo eye dwumade nso a anu so anya asem kitwa kranti yanko stadium na yanko fa se obed a champion enso enfenfio enfamba se ameno ka se baba sports stadium anu so se obatoto nioma ye na it was say Kofi as whoever advised the coach to use Haruna impulse has really done a good job na tese Zito ana fans ne dey and so Bonabaso yes Kotoko 2 obi dey about say ora GH I say Kotoko 3 WAC 0 and so dey and so etimi e dey batu dwa ya de ehon komo no e de emam e wo dwumade ne so intuba me say don't forget so very obe subscribe na onso wetima share eno aya de ehun hia Kwame Nyako Asafo is either time injury a serious one Albert obo give na you Albert obo give na you pressing bien ho Albert obo give na you pressing bien anyhow Martin Luther also watching live from Libya Kotoko go 9 Fabu yes eno same here ono so etimi ediaba yare nkono no ede ema no ewo jo say Francis Aji okay ene Francis enso de bayo no but yabe say de hon komo no enso ebesi ere enso ti ye hena fe ro man so na yene se obed a champion enso etimi edin komo so that anyway mama chow so that
who started as a natural number 2 and number 3 superb. Almost from the best of the race we are clearly shows that they were in you are talking about mentality has to do with win and win yeah the player be associating complain about some people players in some of the matches say it do match in one here but our economy and na as some from possession I said you don't retain possession so tackling I'm telling you, I think the Monday because we're training out that boy because and now she has to hit now whatever players you know those silly mistakes from Ablo from Samba very committed, very resolute, and determined said don't get the results. These are some of the matches. What is and this signals? For a moment, they said they need to be here. Let's not forget that the next game, Asante football players was going to play against one and what Asante for ever before. Therefore, then when they are start, then we also Eddie Casa actually for this game. But then what Yache, therefore, they let me swap at it stuff and say fans are ready to give you the results that they can trust this because the Vienna Ghost has participated in the CAF Champions League. It's what United if you 2-0, clean sheet, goes that floor. This is positive. And now it means that Karen Zito this season from Chelsea when Quara home and away when and a ball draw against Lions and then also Stars. So 5 matches for coach Karen Zito. We're winning 4 and a ball draw 1 and that is so I like the mentality. Now let's talk about the structure of the team. Now there's no issues. Especially when they don't have the ball. Some people go to ball. I still feel that there is so much space.
One thing, yes, sir.
We will have to look at how a moving forward. But it looks like Osha de Philip Amoye, Yawali, now looks like the woman. Gives you the confidence that when you honor,
and set down doors. But now the issue is the midfield composition, especially when they don't have the ball. As the ball, opponents not passing on passing, no one talk with defenders. And I need to put it and he was very much concerned about the position of defensive midfielder in the shape of a Lord Hillary at the top. The position has to do with issue of coachness from Motaka because
wanti yegusu a ahoma no ana ɛha adwen kakra ahoma no na ɛha adwen
it's about that is not always one and open clearly this game who said Abranke ancestry omunya born and then quickly na ababedu ablone samba edim but I think say who compare previous games akotokwabo any and then gradually they are working on that and then that space close me the total previous games now but I think say the improvement was so kakra but I know say Coach Abdul Karim Zito the colleagues and the assistants any other person there or concerned as far as the technical handlers of Atlantic they will work on it because bro if this was going to happen against Waka because the Jumabeko defenders and because when there is spaces in your team you're not on check no group and that is the arsenal so on channel group yes, you create decent chances against you. Yeah. Now, when they are creating chances against you, the tendency of best on yeah. So now, based on the game, I think today clearly is an improvement of Lions. Yeah, sure. It means that coach called back to training house. Yeah. It means that if you are pre-season while the season is ongoing, it happens in football. Now, almost year pre-season whilst the season is ongoing. You know, team who have been on my bank account. So it is possible there might be seen pre-season while the season is going on. Just that we want to see constant improvement. Imagine there is a room for improvement. A room for improvement just like against nations. Nations last year got home and away, and it means that this find a way of beating them, and then almost take them. They will watch the game. One who had been watching the game. So you need at least get a draw. Well,
alright, the Yoguswa has said Ahumano and so it's my atomy. It's
the issue of rules in the system there because it looks like any more for ball not but now we're talking about defense any more for to a part to play. So I think so moving forward as I said any more for no so say omu subo no back about the support and no idea about one I say no we have any union number one of the wingers said in come say he's so good body plan the energy but for Lusubo now said we fight back over me attract and then we say he was showing that even though one completed at 90 minutes, but no lose possession, irrespective of where he find yourself, as the right side or the left side now, or track it back. This is what others support defense, and as a midfielder, midfielders will also go back and support the one they defend. So I think that this is one thing. Say, no premier, ultimately the whole pack. It will lose. Make sure that you track back, you support people and other players now more. Evan is on the answer. But now let's move on to other things. Now there are two players I want to single out. Now you're with the confidence of the boy coming up. And now we are going to look at it. Because the technical team decided to move up. The same in seminar now what to say. So people were expecting much. And it looks like Coach Karim Zito as a former player had an excellent player into the Santiago team. Now it looks like it confused you on for Jimmy is part of it. They had an excellent game against a year. They can
All right.
It was an attack on the power, but I'm yes, and they will try and find out the extent of his injury. But when you have a quality player like this, and you benefit, he's a national asset, and there should be a special protection for him. So I'm protecting him. It's when you give me, but you know, who knows about the Stone Ghana, about the Stone Blaster. So these are two. Now let's go to the rating. Aziz woman is saying,
Aziz was fantastic, even though the test on him wasn't that much. But the Evan Subiano, he was called to a test. He had it right. I think they paid a win and 3 sheets in there. Memano 7. And
well, I'm also impressed. Remember 6.5. Okay. Can test them. Yeah. So what about
Lodamwa? Attacking is where we're improving the process number. But defensively, he did ask Lodamwa is doing good. And I think if he also helped the back high and the center back no more to finish it. I will give him 6.5. It wasn't bad, okay. But in the new one, he should work on it. How be a better forward. And then what about Patrick Esedu? Esedu was first half fired good. In the second half, he wasn't seeing much on. So say was sustained that a injury. Yeah, he wasn't bad at all. But like I said,
All right, nti yegusua on say Jan Famani nsuo no agugu ama esa na say ha adwen esa na ha adwen nti ye besi bia no ye besi wrom sisi ye besi wrom na yakwakohwe sene enema yere esi konso ewo Babaya Sports Stadium ehoma no ha adwen pop. But don't forget so very. Subscribe it now. So what you must say? Yes. Tiana modern than Mukakra. Yana modern than Mukakra. No, say Ahano.
Would be one of the fantastic backs with the ball, even without the ball, tackling. He contained players. When sustaining any card, now so when to me any a card, he did well. I'll give you 6.5.
Remember 6.5 for Adam. Yeah. Then let's move to Walid Neymar. Who share Walid? Who share first game Walid? Who was saying?
I think it's the first game. In the first half, he was so good, but in the second half, we did not see Walid Neymar.
Also, the can't say Walid will issue of fitness. Yeah. Into Walid, and I think it's a idea. Yeah. But it looks like in 45 minutes now. Clearly, you see the potential, you see the quality.
In the first half, Nami was very nice. In the first half, no supporters in the airborne. So, he's a player. They wanted to see him starting fast and he did very best. But because of the fitness, and it's more. The power for being replaced. It wasn't bad, but 6 is good for him.
Okay, what about Jau?
Jau was my man of the match. I do believe he won the match
of the match.
Yeah, find out. But you personally, yeah, sure. Me want to say he's my man of the match, and he won every heart of Obek support. And I saw the game. I was sitting there with a Trey Ghana Premier League referee, and he said all of them says Kai. This your boy is so good, not just to be the best in your team. And he's a mission to see and some containing and one of the players, one of the referees says, player with a player one turn with a huge amount of
for 1 season.
Yeah,
and so far it looks like he's on course. Now anymore Peter Philip Amor, Albert Amor.
Yes, Philip Albert Amor is also on top with the ball without the ball tackling in the having scored and also helping the team to win with this number of goals, I think as a main striker, as a player, would be able to do there, not giving anything away from him. May awarding the 8 he's also deserved.
Okay, then Peter Alpha and Philip Ammonia.
Well, Amon, there's more time for him to develop from
one person. Like there'll be a bit of a
I'm so percent or impression will be born or Pernohomo. Amo should come, he should take his time, read the game very well. But first half he was so good together with Wale. Second half, so I'm awarding the same 6 marks to Bank and I say waiting to Abet Amon. So on those who just came on,
those with the faction. Well, those with the faction on Yanko Class in back. I'm going to Doom Stadium Lights, So this is where we call it. We call it a day. Babara Sports Stadium. any free life over Kumasi Asante Kotoko game or boy against Clubber. The friend baby and go stars no any bar stadium. Yedi Jumano Ebesuma Jumano Dawson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and enjoy that. I mean, the confidence you're wrapping it up. Now, power, now any achieve for you. Now, yes, so Yampa, Yakemunano, Emblem. Coach Karim to a interview. We'll try and move there and see if we can get some positive news. At your free coach Karim to interview no more, bro. Into all other things, we'll get it and bring it to you live on this very platform. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. My name is Obed Champion. I'm going to start it till the press conference started, and I'll take Kofi Aristotle. So watch out, on this very channel. Bye bye.
All right. In terms of Sir Obed Champion from Baba Yara Sports Stadium, Anna Motimiare, Etimi Atenin Kanti. On this note, you're dropping your man down. Young fancy, yes, you're a more motive supporting Bibiano. You're a China, you're the details and more. And so everything with our several things, you can start meeting at the coach confidence as usual. Yes, also. Now go Ponso Bibia, say Mutimere, Ekanho, and you're starting free. 7 Abepim Sabe, Abonon, yes, 9:19. Ti eno, SNH, Dea Kosuyani Pitri, Albert Samoa and Peter Amadou Aka, 2 goals no. And I must see, I'm not say, Go Stars, and Timafan Kundi, Kumasi Baba Sports Stadium. I don't summon a day at don't forget so bad. Over subscribing, also, what's me, I share. Mobile by, it'll be the assay. Your best answer at me, I share you.